aha Adom TV dwumade we yen kranhye sembre me am tidwom amede uchi dwumade ho chia me osomfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego e ma akwaba e de badwumade we so enen amede enam eye emransam me nka se koye emransam o ewiase de ebe bia wo ne mra asofodie e wo ne mra sofo e bia subembi wa se wo na die ade bo ntimi nyo oye teacher ne kra wo ne mra teacher ni akofa nkwada etiamra oye post ni e wo ne mra post na akoje bribe etiamra oye mra hebegeni a e wo mra ese wodi so enti ade bia ye die no nkunimdie egina mra so. Life successes depends on laws. Therefore, success itself also has laws. The first law of success is that success begins in your mind. Everything you go through starts from your mind. Enipa, nyabe bia, nyabeka bia no, nenhyase e wadwene mu. Nanso, there is a battle that goes on in your mind. The battle between the flesh and the spirit. Do and don't do. Right and wrong. To make decisions, you have to fight against enemies. Enya atamfo owo montene so. Enya monsanfo. Enya mpo bebia wo. Enya ne ato wo. Ni a woni nya ntokwa a wadwen mu no eye wankasa gina ya obesie sebe ya de bi ana wonya bi jaya ekutia honam akono ana jaya ekuta sunsumu egina sebie. So every moment bia no ntokwa bi koso wadwen proso empo anopa oso a ebia wani aha wede ba me na kakra egina na wasie ma me nsore prekope nkwa adwuma egina na de abe bi egina so eye wadwene a wodwene ni susuye no egina honam akono na sunsuma hodin so nti jaisa wo pe woni a ayewo jaisa wo pe abrabom nkunimdie efre montene so na bisa on say e de na tem adwen proso. Everything that happens to you does not depend on your circumstances. They depend on the power of your mind. Let me say it again. Nothing happens to you depending on your circumstances. Everything that happens to you depends on the power of your mind. Now, no, me say Cuba, baby, and I fampo. You bobo crocro ni bebre Jamaica. And so Casabia buffer crobo. Sasa crony. I say one every. Now, so Adrina Ukrana betim was say crony ye. And Chebia, to Africa, my one cabati, Monsieur, and I weaba, and I treasure, ye be boss of bobo, ye penyan san Acadia, and fancy said the Asano. And then Sabi Nipa, or Braba Wobo. A treasure beto, we hear becount, the uncle ye beto, Asha Sebeba, and Kuno, and Kugu, any empon from Swadi beto, or Wadimu, Usika Sem, or Pomuni, Unyamisuma Disiamu, the idea of Bassa Suano. Na ebe yasa obehye wo komudne na komudne hye no enyina so ene wadwene. Your thinking patterns are like the patterns of a tailor. Once a material shemi obi ne pam shemi otwa ne nsa hatia ene otwa ne nsa ene otwa wa ho we mo friend say collar ene otwa ye ene o hyehyɛ atare a menya hye ta hye sa na adwene so te eye hyehyɛ ya hodo on fiti prekopa adwene adwene nyina so hyehyɛ di kan eye suahunu anampo knowledge a wo adwene proso ana information any entiase a wo ma sa knowledge no e kan bo mu a wisdom. The patterns of thinkings depends first on acquiring the right set of wisdom. Nyansa friwa then awugidie your belief systems. Me gidi se me ye Ghana ni esumi wa ho de ne tumi abetimi abibie ana me fese me bibini mentimi gya hwe me gidi se me de me yohia ba timi abonti abesunso me ho ana mfa ho bebia fri ye wo mia me onyame sa no adwuma de atumi bia magina so ugidie soso agina ho e ma nkunimdie ebiom your attitude efoni be na atwago adwen proso se me de me nya honorable me do bia me se bosa da bi obi aye bo excellent. Obiya yebo wonderful. obi a obo fearful enti so say wo ho abufia na page na gina ho say obi a oyɛ de hye in fact wo attitude ifoni a wotwa fa ho no wiase no be kire nkunimdie ekura no watenka akanya no dodo na akanya abufuo dodo na akanya adwendwene dodo na akanya sobobo ebi ni odo ebi ni atenkapa eno so ebesi ukwan kura usu habits. The primary ingredient of success is found in the everyday habits. Internet day machira wo emre edi kan a obedi so edi nkunim se obehwe wadwene so yie se obehwe nioma a wodwene wadwene ho a wokokire edi bubra efuni a wotwa wadwene po so efa ho na abrabo ne mpo atenka akenya no ni suba na adie bebo abrabo yie mempa abo no se wosuba bede yie mempa abo no se mfoni abetwa no bedi mu mempa abo no se adwene bi abedwe no begina nsempa so na mpo abrabo esi yie aha na medo besi agya wo woni ebo am adwumedie ba wo di ndoso ankasa me co production ha me bo hwan din Richmond Kwadwo oye Moana Praso ni this year agya we kampedu kwa ni this year Thomas ni ade enkani mapa na ewurasi ba akopa ho fedua all production room Sarah so wo obi me da mo nyina ase me ba camera Benedict ena Tina na Marco sound Gabi osmosis ena pamfo MCR lighting floor management ena wo bia obo ayi wadum adwumedie ba mo ye fie nyina nyame nhyira wo biara wa nya mrehwe me de da me kansa koso ahwe badwo adwumedie wono nyame entina
ya mwachi biem Samoa kwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumedie so ya da apostle doctor ni te kotegwase ni nkranhye nsema na wotwe mu adwada yi wode ahyase amaye de du so ne ya Badwam kase ensem no do so ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini Mampani John Dramani Muhammad ya tudwa sese de ye ba betre o mai ya hiemu ministries num bi ne agencies ahodo no bi ho ye de wo komia bi se be ye no so betumi aboa sansemi ne nsema foforo bi na no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live e wo Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 na kwadomonline.com semi ene nsema foforo bi e wo ho Majoy Trish ontadi kama fefefe ena eshemesaro ko Instagram ni Facebook ubenya bi ewo ho midin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie nsam no enchemu yama mpani John Dramani Mahama nene ode enhye bi ebeboa pa dachi omayi nkanko akonanim atodwa osi green digital city enene won mo eba beye sebeya enkran ya aboa peso no ebeba fomunti abanyuma ahodo bi pa no won mo ebetra hye no mu e de akomiamia ahodo bi sebeya won so ho behenha wa Adom kase etwaso
Mampani John Dramani Muhammad nsami tudwa e odawa ya no enkramantam mu a ode asokobo fom ema solar for industries dwumadie e hyase ya no e ba beboa pa ama wono mu a wasisi adan so ebenya enyama hoodin a emuda hokrogen na dwumadie e ya ade a mampani e de atudwa se mfrinjaduo no e no weyesi ho e de ba beboa e betene afadawa industrial zone na akopiem e osaglemi housing ho na bundase military range nyina na afi wi a atwaso akoframantam ne poyema. You
must have heard me recently talk about a new green digital city, which we plan as a 20-year project to help decongest Accra. Accra will remain the capital, but we will move some of the government agencies and other critical offices out of Accra, into the new city, so that with the kind of gridlock that is beginning to happen in Accra would ease. This will be a new city that would attract investment, it will attract tourism, it will be a smart city, it will have a modern drainage system, it will have good sanitation, there will be no kiosks and containers in that city, and people will not be hawking by the roadside in that city. If you want to sell anything, you sell in the market that is provided in the city. Now, all this that is happening here is not in isolation, because the city stretches from here, Dawa Industrial Park, including the Saglemi Housing Estate, through Bondasi Military Range, into Volta and Eastern regions.
Emrante nan ya won abeti akese yi bia osusuo se nipa bi ebo won pa free kofodua se won meto enhye National Anti-Illegal Mining Task Force for eso no ne won bai won botai wantumi anu hu bra Anti-Illegal Mining Task Force for no mum etumi edi won so enkunim ti ya kire won wachim osino eye fanti akwamensi no mu wopoye mantemu na enumu no ba kode wapra wo mu ya wo ayaresabia.
Yesterday, I think I met with the media with regards to the NAMOS operations in the Eastern region with a fight against illegal mining activities. Last night at dawn, the operations continued and the men were at Osino. And anybody who uses Kumasi Accra routes and knows of Osino, there are people who work there who mine there illegally with impunity. And I'll emphasize on that again, with impunity. These days and time, you see them even mining in houses now, not of as for Sino and Yinem and those stretch. It's not even in the bushes now. They have brought it in people's home. They are buying houses and mining them. People's rooms, people's houses are being mined illegally because nobody will authorize or will give you any license to go and mine in homes. So the operations continue at last night, and we were able to arrest about 36 young men doing illegal operations and these activities and some other illegal activities. And like I said, with mob attacks on our men is becoming too dangerous these days, and the trend is happening. Yesterday, when the 36 people that have been arrested, they've been sent to Accra. Out of the 36, 32 of them are foreigners from Niger. They are coming from Niger. 32 out of the 36 men that last night the men were able to arrest were foreigners, not from Ghana. Only 4 of them were from Ghana, and they were doing all manner of illegal activities within the Osino enclaves. And so they've been sent to Accra. The foreigners, migration is going to deal with them.
Kwasiada no pa Ghana this year bin mo ewo shiade mo som na bi so ye wonwuma hodo no na adwadefo ewo kintampo dwamu die wani atutu agu won sam fi se ne gya ato won me ahodo obi make say won fi ase esesa ne aka wo mu no emu nsam Adom kase eto so
easy and what say be catch I say wa hu wuntimi benja no na ko wa ko yibibi nti de esi yakura pin kura de yantima mfa no wa ha enye ska ketwa na ahye ewo ha ye shop mu de normal almost billions and ya hwere no wa ha enye easy ya boka pa auto sacks bail seminar ena robbers pard ne na sefo enye easy to eno de yentimi nkire eno kura nyame anim ne yentimi nkire fi se nyina wo fie na call buy enti call buy na America na e de buy enti ye ba su duru ye no so no jano be bia jana duru no wuntimi benja no pona ka say wa try say wo be bibi enti nyame se anka no kura de pin kura de yantima nyi no ha ya boka nyezi
Penimpa ya ohwe dum dadwuma no so e okentampo empotem ho Jehoneg Ahmed enso ne Adom kase twetwe nkoma ono nso ede nhwemu a wono ma ye ne kwan ya wofa so esi jana no enso eto yenim
score no that is 115 and in first score tinya first score na e drew once no within 130 and a fire no immediate fire no ba under control the ba na container no e dere pa na ma me bi ton emo wecho ono so no manyina hye containers na omoton oil nyina wo nyina hye ti ye boy homode iwie nso ne on civilians ne kasa e kire omo kwan amfa so a ade be sana omo kofia kwan amfa so bom ho ban omo no mo ho ban se na omo kofia na e kire omo kwan amfa so a se BBC a ye number no na ye se omo frɛ mpempi omo ko frɛ number bi a eno no kra no oba si na nipa na ka kire ye frɛ mo ama nti ebisa nipa no e kire omo right number ye se omo frɛ nti mpempi ejuma ye no basics and actually totally. Now, my main autonomous was say, Amoah, a mobile room, sugar room, and my back on so on also a provision shop, the beer, or complaint price, and then this capra woman went to me and be bien free.
Ohine ana overlord ono wo Gonja Kingdom Yambo Rura bi Kununtu Jawu Swala ya wodi kan ene wabo beautiful lobby Council of Elders no ka ene mponche ne nwan ne nkokọ ne kola no tonom ne ade ene sika 100 cedis won famra na yenye empatade eye benyiri na sundue entime fa ne ntuma pe enfra e wontem.
You will recall that last year we came to the palace here.
To basa na bunyin fusana cafe de bodankabo ewurubanfe.
We were introduced to you as the Lobe Before Council of Elders by one of our own, Reverend Dr. Moses Asankonjom.
To I bodanta bomo Moses wole kangere banta bomo nginfo nginsona bomwela bomabo bojampropo.
On that day, we brought to your notice some misunderstanding between the Lobe Before people in the two traditional areas.
Kamanchana bo berfo la kal yo kanana ndobi ne basko no pokwa berge.
And we're pleased to inform you that we worked closely and tirelessly with the Gongora and the Bolora and their chiefs, and the situation became better.
Na boda kada on ka buntu fuli bukatun ta lombo ko boya na safo agin sana bomone bole woro na ko wura ba shum na bo sana kishe na ekorge.
Calm was restored to the area, and we are very grateful to our chiefs for that effort.
Lombo jamana kairu shida ba komoto na ko woro bomo ebal na ba choro ko wuru.
First Vice Chairperson NPP amanyoko no mo ye Pius Amewu Nkwanta South ne wono ede support mo ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sebe ya won ne betu franka de ama NPP amanyoko no.
Mfin na etwom no oba pro by dan we mo ana odu anu so ntojwa se Nkwanta ya nto aba no ma o Nkwanta ya to aba no am se atu akankan wie no ona wodi nkonim e Nkwanta na ye won adwumade a woye mbo nwakon na babi a yakosu no party nyina na ede adi ntwo na ye wo nde nyame aye wadom oba promoter bedu Nkwanta na mejina Nkwanta executive anam mejina Nkwanta police anam e ka kire wo say abana e bebe to no 31st January no 90% e ya wodia se Nkwanta yedi anu ato no yanim se wo ana ato abana ma wo a obetimi akodi nkonim na Nkwanta so ye empese etno petition ndi enkoto abana ma obi a yatoma na ebetno petition da bi ya ne sa
Yenya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no ye mfansi ha no pay omre no wadaje nti yeda se papa afi na ye hwe na de edu so agudie mu nsam de bonkrata ne Adom online stories and health tips no e na ye de to so de abrewo akonya ne banso a ye bia homa no atom wa afi na odu afidie no ato ha no ye mo ache sonko menua bema akwasi nsia boaten radio Adom no enkwa ye to so na no agwezi ano pebe mu ache
afiam jo so
na bibia boko
nyame adom
ye do kese no
ye de anije na ewura na otwi mu ye de anije kese na ewura na otwi mu da bi e kasa ahwefo ne atiefo sponsors ne Ghana ade hye na ese ne etie na ya ne kan kwa wadaruma na Adom TV edu pempenso ya yedru Ghana Journalist Association 29th Awards edition. Yeah, best Akan TV station in Ghana.
Yes.
Adom TV.
No doubt.
Your best Akan TV station in Ghana.
Yes.
Yada mase.
Director Mpacho Bo Hamilton you mean my kakrawai. Enti yadamase.
Mama serie ashe ya frumu ma.
Maya ma fe.
Yes, wadamase. Nyamishram bebre. From your viewers to your sponsors to your cherishers. The real mama now tree aya kono aye de man. I want the nyina dia.
Sir.
You say if you had to social no kase. Ye nyina.
Sir.
You dedicate to crowd the mama.
Sir.
Yes. Mama Adom TV I #1. So for 2024 your best account TV station in Ghana. Adom TV.
Bakope.
Echinje bia.
Oh, director anti anu me mai. Yay. Director
anyhow.
We here is our DJ.
We are super. My abana. Tefia now 3 years. Yeah, the DJ kese pa.
Esanya na watch the whole year. Yes, next year munyame ya domwa.
Yes, you ready.
Akan TV station. Obi amesa ya wodia.
The reigning TV station.
Yadamwa say.
Oh, my idea.
My idea.
Why idea.
Akan TV station of the year.
Yes.
Yeah, dedicate mamo.
Yes. Ya shefo papa bi.
Mo ye too much.
And you start ahomache. Ekosi anadu da suomu.
Oh.
Ya dem ase.
Enyo na si. Na me go so so.
Oh, Wow.
By the time baby director sample another one.
Boy hot back na afiyemfa.
I'm the PS so you bad.
Hey, yeah.
No my.
Oh.
I
was before there.
Nyame adom now so eh.
Ya de yamias.
Fantastic.
Nije na abem.
Most definitely.
Nije na abem. Na isi afia me catch ko say in this time and season whereby Atenia doors to TV stations.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Na Ghana phobi fee say no money je ho. Striving through this perimeter of life is difficult.
Oh yes.
So if Adom TV are maintaining consistency, professionalism, dedication to the good will of Ghana, near to me to this level, it tells you the kind of obstacles you're passing through. And they do baby every. Yeah. Memo be another. Baby. Atenye, Kasentri, and your baby. And penifona moshe, omutie. Udi atemwa yemfa serious. Baby. Be aduba ye adwuma. Ebredu so se ehyewa ni monyam a ye nhyewa ni monyam at all. Yemfa kontompo ne ntro. Emosire mu kansam fa nto bi so nse nipa. Ye nipa sene mpani kansam se kasadodo fom so mpam no. Ye fom a ye gitum e na chesampe ye nipa. Ye fom ne mekukutai. Enye tatakuma ye se Sabian ko ni wiase bibia. Mo kan ye betie. Most definitely. We ne de koso chichire. Yankopon hire obi bia.
Amen.
Edamo ase.
Amen.
Se brani brani na munye ho adaje. Na munya brani etina. Ni ye fom nso a mutie na so ka chese akos we de ha de ka fa ne se ya. Nkebeye. Na me hira mo dodo.
O hira mo dodo. Ye ntimi hira ye tiefo ye client a ye mpanimfo nso. Enka ho. Wasanya bete o. Ha! At all. We no mafro. Aha, you say. We anye say.
Enye ne bonus so.
Enye ne bonus so.
Enye ne bonus.
Ne bonus so. Ene sa de no na shepi ya me be be.
Almost definitely.
Yes.
Enti mpanifo.
Ya da masedo do.
Ya boss Abdullahi Awudu. Boss no de wo fe no de wo.
President of Gimba. Ghana Independent Broadcasters Association. On their president. It is a feel here. Send Yakopon Adom TV. And I can't branch of more TV. I fear the gentleman Jamaica president of one and only media house of Ghana Penny Pow. Yeah. I feel and I fear Musunia Adom TV as best account TV station in Ghana.
Let me not pick your
channel manager.
You all Sunday,
I best Sunday was here.
Yay! Yay! I got the body idea about you.
And you is what you say.
That is Obia. And you back on so ready now. And you back on ready. That's how you DJ
Enum Jano. Oh. Don't kill the fire. Don't kill the fire.
Eko Adom Sports. Obia.
It's been a wonderful journey. It's been a wonderful journey.
It's
been a wonderful journey.
Tinadie. Wow. Brilliant. I've been watching the 80 and Abana. And I know GG Awards. Yeah, also 29. For the first way in Ashanti region. Kumasi. Yeah, Adom TV. The best account TV station in Ghana.
Huge.
Yes, it. Yeah, 12 more until say you be say we need another one there. Ye jinemusa. Ye jinemusa. Ye jinemusa.
We dey need dey mu a.
Na dey ko.
Ya papa prioritise abreye.
Kai.
Enti yenko. Ya papa ya owo boasi. Steven Dapa.
Okay.
Steven Dapa bro funini.
Brofo.
Good morning to you and the team. You guys are amazing this morning. And you guys are looking awesome.
Thank you.
I've watched you for years.
Wow.
And you guys are wonderful.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Keep looking cheerful and deliver great message to the nation.
Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Eti as bet TV station.
I saw now so ya no so no. O sa kan citation.
Oh yeah. Citation in that.
Citation.
But your body na me heka.
It's for the best Akan Chi TV station, and the citation reads: Adom TV has consistently demonstrated excellence in broadcasting, providing compelling Akan Chi programming that connects deeply with its viewers. From news and current affairs to culture and entertainment, Adom TV has enriched the media landscape, fostering understanding, dialogue, and community engagement. For this outstanding contribution, the Ghana Journalists Association celebrates Adom TV as the best Akan TV Chi station. Can we have Mr. Paul? Yes, please. You didn't have to go. Yes, thank you. Let's put our hands together for him one more time. And welcome our friends from the multimedia group. I see my colleague, Obi from Asempa here to receive the award. Congratulations. Let's put our hands together for Adom TV. Thank you very much. Congratulations to Adom TV.
Ntiano anu matiano. Nti said akwasi kan na hyase no. Ai yenye kasantwi.
No, at all.
Yen kasa yenni obi atem. Ya kan said ye tie. And me kai Facebook dem de to no obi be kan sa. And I no kre. But nipa bi ashada so mo mpe no kre kan. Tu ya no de bibi fiafia ho. But sa nipa no kre no me refini din. No kre na no kan. Said ye tie ye be kan no but we ase wo hoi. Ade na nkwa ma no nti no. Onim say o mpe na se ma na wo tan no. But wo multimedia Adom ne yen Akan brand ne di Adom TV. Ya hwe ma metwe obi ada pa. Ti edamwase.
Well, Ekosi saying you are the best radio program Ghanaian language.
Yeah.
So Asempa FM so Ekosi saying so in your award. In fact, multimedia could sweep.
Yeah. Muftau.
Muftau, sports journalist of the year. Yes. Yes, best reporting in domestic tourism, and that's a bit or Joy News. Student journalist of the year, Clinton Yeboah. Love FM. Best illegal mining reporting or Hementeria. Or Love FM. Best sports journalist of the year, Muftau. Best radio or TV program, Ghanaian language. Asempa FM. Ekosi saying. Best radio and TV program English. John News. Best Akan TV station of the year. Adom TV. Best radio and entertainment program Showbiz A to Z on Joy FM. Now
award in Modu.
Yes.
It is not the first award we are winning, but of course we Modu pass. So I see a winning na yeji and na bibia timi koye. It is huge.
I will see.
Enye man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
appreciate GJ for the recognition.
Sure.
It is clear.
Yeah.
It is clear.
Challenge every baby.
It is clear. It is clear. It is clear. It is clear.
Yeah, catch them say. How kotieti. And near man say wasun how akuma. Bra hire the bema.
Almost definitely.
Yes.
Entertainment, news, information,
sports,
you bring it here. But I must pass and I quite your idea. I bet yes, you come night in some not to us where I'm in the Kejuan Erica see the wedding. The best TV station now heard Anna Makungo Kakra, Pachamina. Say yeah, they call yeah. The Agyapong say for the why am I and if we can never so activities be bring on a course and sporting activities now, especially football, of course across Europe, in England, in Spain, in Italy. As a weekend, India draws on Kwao. I can say for draws, draws. I can see and get what and no more. Say near Makwa. Arsenal chain draws, Real Madrid chain draws. Chelsea Wolves no Man City and Liverpool Tottenham United draws. Yanko England and Yanko Sanya big games in Mexico England. Well, and so 1-0 Koloko. And only the controversial goal he goes so can one seven no pay and then one seven. After the game, Karim Zito, head coach at the Makorokoni.
Before the league, we set our target to win the league again. So it's one of those things, playing game after game. So we winning today. I'm very happy. It's one of those wins we played during the beginning of the league. So we still maintain our unbeaten record, not against any other team, but Accra as a folk. So I'm very happy we've been able to do that. Far in our away game. Right. What went right was the attitude of winning. I said it before during the press. We are coming with the mindset of winning, not to.
Zito, Coach Karim Zito, head coach at the Metema no. And now did it Ramani so head coach Tima as a work did in 70 after the game?
It was a very tight, very close encounter, and you would have expected a game of this nature to degenerate into very tough situations in terms of different phases of the game and in terms of different moments. I think that Kotoko still showed that they were very strong in terms of transitional play. We were very controlling in terms of our positional awareness and then finding the necessary spots. I think that the game was a very close game, and I might say that it wasn't the outcome we were expecting, but we realized some challenges and then strengths and also some learning moments in the game. And so I think that the two teams sold out a clear Ghanaian tradition of the game and the version of the two sides and so-called.
Offside goal, Kulana, and Kamunya Mana Kanya 1-1. Mansanye Mopanetino, yes, I don't know. I finished the Kazan Kanye, one year offside goal. Monya Sania Fanny a birthday, said Okrona say, and Senamana Swapolo. I don't know, yes, sir. Sekotoko, I say, yeah, Tim Biadia, the Kotoko Moya and yet. Says a birthday, and Nipium, and a question this year. Lavino. Ayano. One name for Bakokula. Some go offside Kaklakawe and Kwan of a bear and to Mana. Sava Holma, a criminal too. Twice. Backward about Planesa. First one, a penalty, a penalty.
And you see, I'll give the blame to GFA, the organizers of our league. If we want our league to be better, for supporters to troop to the stadium and watch match, let's take a wealthy referee to officiate our matches. Not a cooked referee for one team. Because I use the word cooked because go and check the background of this referee, this very referee. There was a match, I think the President's Cup, he officiated, has lost the match. He came out to apologize. Go and check the records. Today, 50-50 balls. When the keeper was delaying, he was not showing card. The people took as if they were playing home.
Not at all. I'm here disappointed because Osha referee performance and say we would need any bad history be about say what the match done there. You could clearly see say officiating game very well. Aside says controversial late equalizer and has for yana one general. But that ball no question the benefits of the replay. I will say now a clear offside. Yeah, into me they me disappointed. Or the game no said the city na. Yeah.
Obi awo akauda. So abuafufo, you be very careful. We know the referee who he is, how he officiates his matches. So the moment I am pointing in such a super class match like this, across the versus Kumasa Santi Kotokono, we were expecting say management, but sorry, ACC led by Chairman Yusuf Nyamin Shrao. He raised a legitimate concern, and we expect to say, as management, but sorry, but as management were silenced, and then we see what the referee did to us. Yeah, best right, Ketokreku, collectively, no, say na ya nye baako anye jumana, Ghana Premier League enyefe. We are disappointed in Accra Folk management. We are disappointed in Ghana Football Association, and we are disappointed in everybody.
I say, referee, no. We as supporters, you're complaining about the referee. Your past matches are with D. Anything you do, no, the error boy. Has for the fans complaining. And Obi Anyashi and Fahon, honestly, Obi Anyashi and Fahon. But me di the management, as a freedom fighter for football for change, me di a management, has management. And then the board doing na media obi ahun yaw because say any supporters here complaining about referee na mo tra on na mo fa release letter kramba mbonten has communication e the 18 fa hwe mba mbonten e be ka hwe a efe onye den. Besides that one, penalty ni there penalty ni there penalty mean to me nka say nya penalty
and na me first time me who say has abo ball and me find some money kotoko boy players no ye pon no mo call some rush the referee no because referee even 5 minutes no the two so no pan so referee no there one ya there bra na there see e pa someone ya man you go up on the referee school into go on a beautiful goal no won be that what against us ya man you go what I sir on kwaso here. Yeah, man, Ayuko.
Well, Ayuko, and only the has fans maybe a Canada. But you share that results the uncle. And share that results the uncle. Since you has game no pay and a basso, saying you benefit of the other results. Na fe yehwese ne honsam Swiss yet on our screen to see nations ne ho 1-1 Vision Boy 11 Wonders 2-1 Adriana Stars ne Mediema. That was a big game. Ball 0-0. Heart of Lions ball breakum Chelsea by a goal to nil. Basake winning 2-0 over Bibiani goal Stars. Well, Harela earning Dreams ball 1-1. Summer Test is where draw Blacks 1-0. Young Apostles winning 3-2 over Bechim and Heart of Folk then here 1-0. We match the 9 results of the Ghanaian Premier League. I was able to see we are actually some no get a bebro more Sunday on some and so a see at Franco Train Enterprise phone Papa Fee any Jorge Franco number no sans de bieka phone Papa Fee and appliances Papa Fee 024-642-2338 024-642-2338 and 055-593-9311 and all yeah Franco Train Enterprise and number we have and you may say about changing be brave ever seen a table no permutations maybe bia asiakwe but I said that okay me then keju wan kasa Eric asi edupo Pablo Waima Bernard Paddy with me producers and I say brave bravo Philia and Sister Bismarck over to you
Yeah, that's Nadia Mranoko.
Important, yeah.
Director Manton can be a more one maybe a boko.
Once again.
In the end, was so. That's it.
All right.
Yeah, that's it. I'm not until Adom.online.com here. Adom.online.com any aboni mo hago yi. Yeah, will be antra ya betray. You will be inquire ya betray ya de. Inti multimedia group secures multiple anad. And also ewaha. Or say multimedia group limited secure multiple honors at the 29th Ghana Journalists Association Awards. And also Asemu ewaha Yambong Rura demands 100 cattle, other items. Nina news and also the day ebromono. Mentime ho ase bi course so wo banyere ene brefofo entemono aha sese be asumdwe be bantino eno ho hwehwe no kwase make say dumjafo bi eho akamienu ye bompa ya ma won se won prekuro no beba fom no ho ato won eja ato baby wormo ekwa akoya ewi akire no wormo so epra ewo mu we ye achem mosia so eastern region no ye course so
enu eja na to
achimota na ehin port ya manhye dem
chef list station abofu
okay
chef list station side then masimo esi according to fire say so obi na di aduane sis na ref na oja okwa asori
ebe e di refie nko erade hu ye mobo wow is gas na
gas onu aduane o
ti ahye
na refie oja hodom
de bia na ye ka no ye sramani die mu weda na ye wramu no dry kakra ti enye careful ye bibia enye careful mamu ma no enye ho si edu season bi se ya se na esiem eni kwan se ka ho this accident no me ade eni kwan se so nti dum jafo mo ayo ho abo ho modern pe se ya mo bre so mo aso ko boa no onso akwa wo mo te rade hu ye nyina ye mobo rade mo ye nyina ye ho ban ene mabo mpa ya me ye mampani enu anu no wo ho a odi mampa ye ehun hia pa wo kai obi no na nyame so a edai wa kai wo mu mien kai ye hu ye mu bompa ye ma ye hu ye nase Reverend Benjamin Tete soft penny upon pay ye chiao pa tre ya seda de ntia wo so dase eradwa be brama ye danase onye ekura danase entwen ema wunya sika puduo ansan wa be appreciate e
okasa wo twen ma
sa bakakra na wa ye no kwasi ma 100 cedis wa muna otu wo na mo na nim 100 cedis bi ba be ka
na adwen se akwasi 1 million na de 100 cedis
sa
enti hawa ya na ewo ehun no to be called politician chere say politician ne man no 200 cedis o ye pepe ba refi se nyon kwan wo boa
sa
yes
sa
nyon kwan wo boa
kitua bi e de be ma obi a
appreciate obi a
danase asante ana kamamre mu obi ya de ma won na wo danase adechi ko
in fact adechi ko na na ase kese na kasa
wo na free
yes
ti esre mumi appreciate the little things and for 4 years appreciate pa
na munya we pepe
no because I can ho
obidi ni sika na aka jem so pepe de bento ase enye se o sika na abedi no do ade ma onu ani sika
no wo ma bi
no wo ma bi wo so pepe
20 Ghana mo ani so gone nka o sika ho ti erade ye bi ene wo sorry nipadua na kwa nyina ye tuma wona na se danase
o ma mo papa e bi ma wa danase enye easy
o ma wa hoden won kwa danase
ene nkrem so me ko school kra ya se
edin
o papa etimi enye sika twa fees ama akakra to botum fa ko school ade cha konna so da nyame nhiraw
yes ya nase ya ma se dan no so nse ya bisade na nyame no before ye mujato ade na ye mkra no ni ye dada ti ma se dan nya mo aha kwasi to so
ma de bokata ba ko mi ni to so na ja ene mfa che etimi me phone lines yes ye ni mi na de kabo mu a ye di ena yes ni nyina ese ena no memre da
sa
abasubode kase pa ye semtrefo abasubode o sa semtrefo Ghana nyina abasubode kase sa ene agi atum se Adom TV ye the best account TV station ewo Ghana
sa
ene de na asiri nyina ba tie da mu nyina ma asemo ka obi na ebedu sa pempenso a mu ahwe ya ka ye anya sa award ene so na ba bia ye tum sa one be recognize bo ma dawruma enti ene nya sa abosi wo so damase pa efia the daily gist osidi panum na yeka so omti epia bonti so per national chairmanship di bre ewo NPP amenyokomum Owura Boachi Agyapong John Buedo Stephen Asamoah Boateng Bernard Adwibu Asiako aka Chema Wuntumi ena afei Kwabena Amankwa Yebua Sampanifo nyina efoni e was take firm decision on Galamsey fight otu for the catcher His Excellency John Dramani Mahama helicopter crash probe report ready tiase na otwimu ena ne kofa sa helicopter no ekwehia ne ban report ni nyina ebepie abontin
omo se na omo de ko national security no tina no omo so de ama public
yes
na so omo de ama ye ne so ye de ato
yes ehunu
sa ni
ehunu property pe kofa we nyina
e bai ti abusua e ko so achechire mo wura wate erade nyamo bambofo woni ekru a mahwere no mamo uncles daddy papa bi a mahwere erade a wakro mo afri sa bresi ages abapem sabre no omo mo bai sa wate emu ya monkafra
e feel so me delete me ne Dr. Ibrahim Mutala
ne chat
WhatsApp chat
timi delete hey Dr. Sapon mefia onu pe na mefia kasa bre o de mefia sa erade nya mo bambofo abusua monkafra wate erade nkoso achire mo wure maye ewie ye de ye ko akamu nko a ti erade ogbo awefie no omma mo wure mfi wo kwanya anya abraho mu wo be kai po no na ehye mo dene na mo kase me kunu ni honti ene matumi ayesei matumi ahwekra no adi baabi a ka me kunu ti ase anko obeye ti erade no a oye rechechefo on chechire mo wure onye mu kunu onye mo ja onye mo ofa onye mo bibia ate erade nkam
so mo ka fra bi yefa the new crusade guide abokata enwie Otufo expresses anger at Galamsey menace, criticizes politicians, say, "I'm your phone. I can't be a Galamsey queen." As a kono aye di wo my emu. All small-scale miners in Ghana don't have license to mine.
Hey, why?
And this is my share. You no fear that, and I'm about to do obey jump to me so. As a small-scale miners organ will be no license on the air mining. No be could be a prospecting license. Yet go good.
Yes.
Now go good now who we are what man is benya. Tiamam. So be no aqua abaji license or them to win illegal miners.
Then you are in freeway.
If I didn't crusade guard about cat and brain no I be.
Yadi jina na yadi see e wo de bonkrata ne Adom online dear no health tips no malnutrition e na yade to so. E no e wo numu no. So aha. Ya hwie num so ran chuchu sia no pa na enwumere osia se nyina na aye ayi so ani die mu a tie bi 5 minutes ye nche ye kwaba memo kwaba enenso do Badum TV Badwam health tips eso na wotwe foforo mo eni na wotwe we ye ba bedi nkomo afa malnutrition edintitiri oha ono a be kire mu adekro a common pa ba ne din na de na nye wonta ante but yade e wo ye ho ni nyina fa ye num ne yesen ho me de asede ma endpoint homeopathic clinic na daroma enene so yenya kwan ene ti na ba bedi enkomo ene yare bi e hawadwe yenko endpoint or prostate no or check ya ma free ne number no 0244867068 midi efia amankwa tamaklo ene minuaba Augustina Mensa Afram wo ye dental therapist ena enenso yasabo awura ne demo a oba be kire ade edino esuma mkakrati giso na mana kwaba oba me mu akwaba
idase
na wotwe mo si edi nkoma afade ho
pacho na wotwe mi si ye kasafa malocclusion
pacho nti eno ye de ani de de pa
ni di na de yare ne so ye de e ka malocclusion a ewo dentistry mu no sei na nyame aboye se yesi no enti brofum no we no ye friend occlusion se wo se no existo a ne hyehye etie no na ye occlusion na se ba medical mo e ka se bibi ye mala e negative nti e negative occlusion occlusion bia enti se de nyame ye no yen ye friend normal occlusion inti ni tintin ni tietia malocclusion mu nyina no negative occlusion
so say camera na capture dey sa
inti se ubie woni
occlusion no the battery ni ma esen e fam so ana
enye esen e fam so kwa esi bia enhihye yie
sa
said the way no hu se moles no esi so pepepe primoles no bia ne nua no ewo ho na nyame aye animu ni se kwan kakra bi beda ho se de be ya pese wonfa nti ade pese wonfa nka bibi a obetumi de aka obi so wo ho a ne se no kasi so a we no eni ho sa space we ni ho obetumi de aka de nti obi o beti pure water ji so de ba ne moles na primoles no na ebeti obi so ka ne simisi so a ha no tokro na ekwan eda ho obi so no se no ebi wa animu ebi wa akire nti saa enema ni nyina no na ye frɛ no malocclusion
okay nti me mesin ye de
mpacha oti wo se no sesi a na me di mani hwɛ ne de occlusion ye okay ba eno ni ye animu de no nko a ebi ebekɔ dodo mu no na spaces ewo ho eno so betimi aba because ebi yo ha na ono ni space no ambeda animu aba beda echire nti ntimi nhwe esinani mu nko na ye mfa njeje eya ehwe esini nyina sa na ye de ajeje
no nti na wo say wo bekọ dentist ho no wa check ya ma so wo
eni na ye tufu say owo akola na onya 6 months esimi eni ni pie ya start every 6 months bia fa ne ko nti say occlusion na start say esa ye hu ne ntem na ya correct ya ma na say ye hu ne ntem na odinyini a na eka no aye kese
oh nti e common amunya bi
very common e common na nipa bebre obi but omumpo mu nim se eye ati se esimugire obi o ho si ni eje da misim fefefe but e wo ye wiase no defect
oza
patron that is a defect
sir ejire da nipa sim ye
ejire ni bitimi nyini a na e de sin ahye ho esimienu nsa na e de ahye ho
ejire mu manho
yeah
I see wow
nti malocclusion ni nyina na esi a enhihye se de obade eye no eno ane malocclusion
okay na se ne na wotwe me ho komo ni bi
na ye ba be ka
mo ase e de ba kwan be fa so be ba ye de wo
ebi yo ho
okay
ebi yo ho nti edru ekwan ye fa so e de ba na e be kire ni e de wo no
e na ebi won so e be fa wa ha
pa bebre na kasa kwa ni e be fa wa ha
okay okay ene ne yemfa unsi ha wadaroma na wotwe wa ma ho kwan de e beto aso ho ye da se papa contact ne ye
pacho 0243728542 0243728542
timidofo na wotwe mo kan ye ho na de e common but ye hu de ehia se enyina yesua ho ade bia de wa ye lucky mene umienu enimo no ye hu but e bia dodomu no ehihye yi nti by the time e bedru fiada no wa hu se yesua ade nyabre ne ko sra o dentist ne yehwese de wo se no eti emidi de afia amankwa tamaklo ochena de pache ne ye wonkwa ebesehia edase ye mo akwa babiem Adom TV Badwam so your number 1 Akan TV station Adom TV ye da mo asedano a ene de mamu asedanwa tie da mo ase papa fe na wakan ye ho asa na aye na wotwe awie ya boso body etitiri na botimi dia adwumakuo titiu ni Adom TV akwaje eyemo cause obi ye na twifo no na hwe twifo dey nya the most that be nya tenie boko wa wote eche na wo hwe ahun se wo hwe TV nya de ye de wo sun kikikikikiki yo bia ye no ane ye but boko ti ye da mo ase ni nyina ye mo atenetene ai ye da mo ase pa na ye client no so mo ya de mo ba mo kasa denti a ni nyina ka mo nte ti ye ni ncheche a mo de ma yintia da mo nyina ase bako ade achi bia na bia TV na ya seda ene ye koso de mamo health tips no so na wotwe mu tieniye na wa dress pa fa shata de kama ye otiri ho kama na bebie wanum ye koye chidie ene sei malocclusion edini titiri ensu nyina e kan fa ye num no yes no ebi e de dabi so oh ti enhwe ese ne ye nkura ne titiu pa for so tututu o mo se na obohu na onyina na ese no yese wo fa ase na bi fifi ha ne ade na wochi mu nkomo ayedie no 5 minutes wadaroma kan ye ho na ya ye disa nkomo yi aseda no kwa ma endpoint mentia na ye disa nkomo yi ti we are nko ade a ene endpoint homeopathic clinic eni sawoso omo ene make us o ma hye adwuma se ti ko hosisi ya we bia infections no stroke evidence mia menyonko nanso ne okọ endpoint nti changes aba adum ni nyina me peti se bedu end of month na die be wura next month ho no a no asa gina na so biem ti say stroke nko ade a wadaroma yenko endpoint ho o chewato admito wa hwewa yene sama ma ho beto 0244 867068 0244-867068. Freno or Mrema Papa, Nanan Kasa. Mididi Afia among Quata Maclo. Medase, Omreno Adaji. Edward Drew Seya, C4C liver specialist and so ba. Near Bedim Como be brave up Pomodim when you off. Cassa de be out to Mocassa de be or health and dear. And my name say ye the door was soon. Nemum tea. Unimo yaria in a becum. But unima, umetro wakade, nene mempe. Udi soa, Yamen Quanan and who dinner bambono, a gusua way so. Tiene, Dr. George, a Siama Junior, a Geneja. I ye dim como afa thrombosis. Ay, you better not sweavy. Sunidi kakra. Yanase. Near watching Wakwaba.
Sefia Resbedase.
It has a papa panty thrombosis no and we're condition there.
Sefia Medase, a betia for na mechia a C4C group of company Jumakuni, okay. Any entire staff. Yes, Sefia, ye can't thrombosis a very common condition these days. Years back on 9 years they out at in the brain. Okay. But for some time now, most of your facilities, other hospitals, so cry any more ones I was one. You realize a lot of cases of thrombosis eba okay. Na ye ka thrombosis any obisana ye beka se ye mojano abapo. Nti ye ka se bia ye ka koko wofie.
Okay.
Na koko.
Yanka sada.
Aha, na koko na isa abapo. Ha, wan ma we ni anko ho. Nti ye kwa akọ yese banku.
Okay.
Yanko ponzo so ama moja no anyesa.
Anya banku.
Thank you. Ti se o moja no mu constituent no bi start se ekeka bom bebre a na afi no e form clot no. E basa e ma blood no intimi circulate na de o ha brain pedia anti thrombosis ye ka nyina ne se koko na yesa aba moja no aba
mu. Na ekoba ne se de na de ba e de na be sa.
Yes, your Ocean pathology kakra, the study of medicine, and my say causes of thrombosis no a dorsal. But I can see a palmian sano, your friend with the vehicle street. One is injuries to the endothelial tissues. Endothelial tissues no ye fa yakumanoa, akumano a bobriana, a pompi moja. I was say moja no so enya pathway into your blood vessels and name. But yankopon aya say blood vessels no emu no some tissue bi wo mu a produce some anti-thrombotic properties bi. Nti sa tissue no ne friend endothelial tissues. Any kwan say injury and so how bi be cancer tissue no. Esa ne say so how can tissue na ne nyoma produce bi te say thrombomodulin, heparin sulfate. We mu ni nyina no anti-thrombotic properties. Na che se eboa ma moja no enna eboa ma moja no enka mom nti se injury bi ba ho a na ma wontumi produce sa na nioma no ti bo hu se the blood vessels no are exposed plus moja no so are exposed na afi nioma no esisi na moja no keka bom fa ne se wutu kwa free ha akọ Kumasi na wenya checkpoint bia okwan no so ebeye a breeding ground for any sort of illegal activity bia. Nti se moja no ne endothelial tissue na akwakoye se police for woni pedua no mo boban no. O mentimi nya sa ahode ne produce o mo neoma na etima moja no ese. Ebiso so wo ho no mo a neoma a ema sa endothelial tissues no ese ye. Se obi a wo hypertension, high blood pressure, akoma no bo bebre a pressure na e exert on the walls no etimi say endothelial tissues no ebia wo diabetes diabetes esichire no wa ahoden a oye hypertonic nti otimi chichire moja no na or say blood vessels no in a long term otimi say endothelial tissues no ebia also there no high blood cholesterol cholesterol no so chewo ni pedua no ma de bia ka se cholesterol nye harmful sa adwene feed on cholesterol na injuries bia ba ni pedua no mu a cholesterol na try fight lenso ebe dose one etimi block blood vessels no ema issue of clot of blood eba ebi wo ho so a na abnormal flow of blood ye wo de friend lamina of blood lamina na kire say moja no wo na ho odin e wo say denante constituent of blood were red blood cells white blood cells were platelet and were plasma sa platelet ni plasma no wo speed a wo denante red blood cell no so wo speed a wo denante because I was say no carry oxygen no kwa adwene mu ne de ka ho nyina but say alteration na change bi ba sa flow of blood ni mu a etimi ma moja no start say clot nti ya ampe mebre no ya yen treat infections ye infection which is say UTI mostly gonorrhea syphilis chlamydia genital ward stomatitis infections e ba yenum ni nyina na yemfa ye ni hwe but e chewo ni pedua no ma e be ye chronic na systemic eno so tumi ma moja no eye tick na afi form clot no woni pedua no ye obibi so e fe no hypercoagulability and say thrombophilia the ye ken na ne say your genes bi wo ni pedua no mu the 5 mutation genes eno no genetically no say obi wo thrombosis ni bia otimi directly e de ma eye ni genes woni bi eye na want to as no otimi de ma mo bi ebi so wo ha na lifestyle ye smoky bebre ye no munsa bebre ye so a ye activities bia na ye tefaako ana ye tu kwan most of the time call long journeys etimi ma some veins bia wo ni pedua no no clotted with blood no na akwa thrombosis aba so basically these are the major causes of thrombosis and akasiye bebre so to me kwatwitwi thrombosis eba
nti se basa na abede na mehu e science bi ebe da na dia ma hu se thrombosis he na esi wo me ni pedo
yes science no edoso but it depends on baby a ebe cause wo
okay
se fane say moja no unsa your special veins bi wo ho ebe ye clotted na emunu sia utiminya inflammations wansa nsan tumi ho no ebi wo ho a wonya pains bebre nsan kwa color no tumi sesan say your nine so kra ho no ubonwu say ho na ye red ubonwu say bi kra say na ho hyehye no ho keka no ho kra mpo no wo ha na nine na ai say ho mebi sa ni nyina na ye science say wuti ayen yesu na yes akoma no na ekoka o blood vessels na wa akoma no mu a etima akoma no born tentam more than normal etima o heart rate so kosro heart rate na che say nka akoma no ni rate e de bo kakra no bo se kosro ebi wo ho kra wonya bradycardia aje akoma no bo slower than normal ebi so wo ho a uti anyeye na say thrombosis no bi ti free ho a na na moja no mu na akosete wo lungs mu na ma wonya pulmonary embolism iti woda na wobowa wotenasia na wobowa ugina ho na wobowa wani bi zuwo ho no ma na moja de etiri titiri so odaye ya ontumi kura odane side ma na asai kura all these things no nyoma be danedi ebi wo kura na wo yefun ni mu nti wutimi nya pains wo yefun ni mu wanhwa na de koshe stomach ulcer ebi wo ho so kura na ma digestion ye slow na a lot of problems or chest pains na inflammation na yefun ni mu because moja ntimi flow ye na wonya constipation say ya adwene mu so a na areas wa adwene mu hippocampus are responsible for your short term memory no wonya Broca's area are responsible for your speech no nti bon say we speech na yes sled and garbled untimi enkasa mani sisi ye a refuse kra be da so bebre ebi kra ho no mu a na intin na woni peduanum lack blood supply nti bon say wonsa no titriti na unya de fe na hemiplegia na wo fa ba bejojo uti ayen ya na wo nan mienu onsa mienu body ni nyina to mejojo oye oba sabi watenka wo de hia ho kafo no eyira because I was a moja call genitalia no na mau that awareness no o ye be ma so a na hoɔden no aba form ebi kura ma vascular dementia chese arefie bebre be da adwene ni mu. These are some of the things I got diplopia or vision be bled sending an hu ade clear no hu ni sabium. These are all some of the signs it me a quarter to.
Okay ti kwamba ni eba C4C liver specialist a ombebo na fe o me your contact no.
Yes, C4C a champion this thrombosis for so many years. It's a cases na ye hu no e dani di prefer say if one show moja ni ye na circulate ye na one share titiri brebo ni ye a it may cause severe problems. Ye brebo no apart from say eno are responsible produce a lot of these thrombotic properties no. They say proteins are able body nyina no. Eno asa produce anti thrombotic properties. Nti nyama bi wo hono mu a enye manipedia no a ono asa produce na wa reverse no. Ha nti ye besere say baby a wo bia no C4C e body ro say ma obrebo no ho hia. Brebo no ye nyuma bebre e regulate ye sugar my na regulate ye cholesterol na my na ebo akoma no so ti livoton e system ni mu a wono mu a e Kenya e brebo no ma brebo no juma in terms of thrombosis ne yare bia no a fight no nti ye besere say adominant C4C were all over Ghana and to some extent some part of Europe. Your promo of free delivery no so e juma ofre number e di to Ghana baby a wo bia na deliver to be bro na Kenya ni pedia no ma hoɔden ni apɔmuden mapa aba wɔ Cape Coast wɔ Green Hill opposite Addison Square Garden ɛne ne mpɔtam nyinaa ɔdɔbɛn so sɛ yɛwɔ hɔ Takoradi opposite Fejai May Sport ne pacho Kumasi Ejoso Kwamo Jache Junction Accra ha yɛwɔ Adenta SDA Junction yɛyɛ adwuma from Monday ekosi Saturday exactly 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. na yɛapɔn treatment plan no ɛnyɛ eduro nko a scans ahodoɔ wɔ hɔ ɛbɛhwɛ wɔ nipadua no mu ahwɛ de ekoso na yaboa ne Kenya organ no mapɔmuden mapa aba nipedua no yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ yare bia doctor to din akyerɛ bia no frɛ number in a place to order for livoton 050 00 40 331 050 00 40 331 and I say 050 00 40 328 050 00 40 328 C4C liver specialist hospital. Yes, so brebo e ya wonkwa. Ya GN ni di treatment plans ni di. Ti abiru bi e mra ne say once treated forever treated. Anope ya da obi bi ase.
Yes, so ya da say C4C liver specialist. Ya do wan say papa pa. Mi di efia amankwa tamaklo. An sepe dwumadi no etwaso. Yada se mo akwa ba bie me Adom TV Badwam na oguso ehwe no me ko ba bie a me sa da wose fi say ye number 1 Akan TV station onte on over the weekend enya award bia so keke Ghana Journalists Association Awards 29th awards for the first time in Ashanti region. And now you see TV stations ni na kan no Adom TV. You know, you can you say be the 2 year home but no credit ever. Ope baby a boy you ton dear home dewo. Ope baby a tea politics without insult. Health shows, socials entertainment. Adom TV. Ti Mr. Wadaroma na wati enko baby mkoye de na wakoma. So be kom na nya sanity. Omuhu abeg sa brabe hwa Adom TV ye wazoye ye mpanifo ye dase ye viewers ye clients ye damose ye mo enmo ye yensa ti ye bedamose a kosi se week yi beso but until ye nya obi abiem enpo de ye nya obi abiem ye be reni a because ye nsesa no te de ye adwuma nza na ye be ye no what you say ti Adom TV ye wazoye na no pedie menya me mpanifo bi ewa ha even before I best start crying, I say, yabo a many cray, a dim coma comua, and ne, me who a ye auntie, a fear asa beer, aka Hi Mary, a beer will be our own console. O bano a war not a tail in yeno, no when you come out, or some chiawi. If fear for a young one to whom I'm sad, a fear and they say, a silly. I tea. Hi Mary, maybe I will be a chiao. Did you say, oh, she? Inti anope menya a year Pedino waha. Okay, minka Salam Alliance. Salam Alliance. Aha. Alliance. Salam Alliance for Ewaha. Salam Alliance Life Insurance Ghana for Abba Uratewia Ben Ahmed on a CEO country lead Ewaha. And afi Ora Emmanuel Otinto for executive operations and diversification. And so Ewaha Ntino wa said neno conversation on economy last week. A group by Nenenso Penifo Abba. A Salam Alliance Life Insurance Ghana Limited. Penifo memo akwabe.
Yeah, just.
Na bibia boko die. Na Mary or the Mary. Hi Mary. Hey, send mo ye die.
Nyamiadum ne ho ye papa.
De nyamiase. Na if you ate wi anso ho ye.
O ko se problem ma
me ko so he ye chia no a so so ho ye.
Efianso ho ye. Yanso ho ye.
Yanso ho ye.
Na Evanso ho ye.
Awo e ma tu be abako. O ya de papa. Try never back ka hu bi na say asquare. Enti medofo. If you boko. Na djuma mu so e.
Djuma mu so boko.
Me hwa mo hu say djuma mu ye boko. De wa mo sesere ne de mo ya de papa. Ma yenti asem free ora Ben Ahmed. Eho na chreyen ka a bit about Salam Alliance eho cheye.
Efia de di kama minchao any wetefo.
Aye number 1 akan station Adom TV.
Congratulations. I mean now customer winning award no manager pa. And many aji bebre so say efra efia so ka.
So Efia is ya gwa busiana no ntino.
Intima minchao wetefo nso mutia. Any Salam Alliance staff. Efia omunti na ye betumi abetena hayi. Enti anopai Monday omu adwuma me ne okasa omuti o mayero mo ho ye adwuma. Omunti na ye betumi abetena hayi.
Okay.
Na maminchia Commission of Insurance so and mecha oni nti amicha no. Insurance adwuma no. Insurance Commission na making sure say customers are yourself no ye protected. Yes we adwuma ne say customer bia ye din beba Salam Alliance no. Or you protected. Into the person you achieve any the Commission of Insurance person or achieve no. Nina aye adekrona. Na adwuma ye die nso otaye chipa ye launch no baby. Ebe support ye. Na Salam Alliance group ni nyina nso no. Omo no mo support ye ma yetumi adisa adwuma die we. Na Salam Alliance aye insurance group what 27 countries on the African continent. Salam Alliance has insurance for over 200 years.
Hey.
Now, Salam Alliance purpose is to empower generations to be financially confident, secure, and prosperous. Now, your vision is say you be providing insurance services. When you be be different from insurance service bia Africa.
Okay.
And I have core values. Adia we ye DNA mu ne sane ye adwuma no nyoma nan na gade en didi kan ye care de toso mienu ye collaboration de toso miensa ye innovation na de twato ye integrity. Integrity say be kanokre because insurance de no kre kanimu a
enye na mo care mo dream mo client ho.
Na innovation
and a second one here
collaboration just adwuma de enko yentime nyanti ye partner with a number of institutions and individuals to say what ayo insurance da ye ne partners Bima ye partners Turaco ye partners and a number of brokers in Ghana. So Bank of Africa ye partners, SG ye partners. Collaboration is very important to us, but if you innovation say ye in fancy ye bibia ye open up say every now and then no ye because into the bia we look for opportunity to learn so ne be to be improve service I provide your customers into be Salam Alliance we are a purpose driven business your purpose na say be empower generations to be financially confident secure and prosperous and Salam Alliance
mo vision is so bompa nyame nso ntimu do 200 years mo achere ye menko ra Emmanuel 10 to 4 ho no so nkyere ye die ntia enei musemu komontin na mode sikasam ho education ana nimdie entete ama
yo say said boss di kan chiri mu no ya juma ko no woni so di hunu kese na ehun se Ghana say ndwuma ku bi hwehwemu from Standard & Poor with 30 opata ku to research na mo kan say Ghana ha about 68% of your population know financially illiterate illiterate. That means 32% na illiterate. Na ekoba ne say it means nipa nimdie a wo sikasem ntotoye no e si talk e wo fempa na ne hunsu nso no doso nso no bebre e wo baby to say insurance. We share NIC your regulator and so report wa say insurance penetration is about 1%. We bring man wa the total sub-Saharan countries na be 11.5% and also say e wo fem na enye saa kwa we even say if you dey free the free nyina say say financial literacy rate ni ewo fam ni ntino ewo implications ewo se de be nipa so
bi esika no to okura ye nsanka enya so mfa so ntie ne ye ne munya hwe ye be jenso a problem tino
e ho ye ba ho
mami kipe na bi
e ho ye ba ho lem say ye try ye hu say ye fact hu say ye try offices na ye nka say in fact de bia Ghana for dey pay say ye complaining ba na mo e bitu say bitimi a solve problem na I think say na ye problem pa ye mpese be sa yes okay ye be fact hu say ye be chinchini Ghana ha na ya bo financial literacy wo dawro say de be ya efie bia mu na nipa bia kora panyini bia be ti sika ho totoye ho eyie no nya mu nimde a obetimi de tu anamon into we heard you media shall say free in crime for August shall say free ya and ya launch here or Shippers Council na ye de ko Kumasi so in September na ye san to aso de ko Koforia October na ye ni so de hu say be dru Ghana ha ba bia intimi show say fia enche bi krompa na ye dru krombu no
eno
enti na say eno anti na ye tu sa na mo se be nipa betimenya ehunumu ye
eno kura sika semu ntutu ye nde ase ye ti ase ye because ye hu de nti ase ye kura ye sika ya ye de be gu esusu boss ma hye ho but all do sika masika kura bia na say insurance obo ho ban ya to renche mu no omo ho mbebo ye mo aka se wo se ye nam ye din wo sika semu na mi kura mi sika minim say yes sika na ye mia media na so ye hia nkire mu pa kwan bei na mia because obi o kura sika no but obehu ana bia say na asa on value ni sika na ekura no dey na say ni pakro dey na be ka kire say ni pakro no odwadi ni bia o hwe yetie
efia no ntini e wo ha no pay eno ntini Salam Alliance ya introduce Salam Alliance financial education campaign no na sani aminia Emmanuel Kaye no se kasa financial literacy and answer financial education no ye no ne botai ni se ye be improve financial literacy e wo Ghana na se ye improve financial literacy wo Ghana ni bebua no watimi manage sika semu ye nti ya kasa financial literacy trese nimdia ye de manage sika nimdia ye de hwe sika so ye sika management no enye kwasa so Ghana hewsha ebia wo yadwuma wo bosomi aketo 2000 Ghana cedis obi ho a ne bosomi aketo 2000 bosomi ne beso no wadi 5000 3000 no okonya free hi dibia ya yesi aketo eso enso aketo na ya gine sisi ya na eso no eno anso ne wasi ya dibisie na daachi ahweyen na obi sa ho sa aketo na sisi ya ogi no ana aketo na osi eso sisi ya no se ni ho kran so eno so be any day eno nti ene ye wa ha na in the end no ye pese Ghana ni bia to be financially confident to be financially confident no e say you have the comfort or you're comfortable so be to me a finance or planned expenses now when you peace of mind and so say unplanned expenses be bar and also what buy esi and also beboa
and am me fa we trust na mra no nti no ye managing risk say na betimi manage no especially bia na breadwinner bi na me fa sa ma wa kopra wa nya accident bi wa free mu a e kwan bay because your boy ye na ekure nti e hono mo no insurance e kwan bay na ye fa so e beboa
e pe wo bisa sempa na wo hwe ye mfa ni say road accident esi wo Ghana wo hwe se bi nipa dodo from January to August free mu about 1600 through road accident na question is say any padodo free me emu ba kwa na mienu bi wo mu a se be no mo ye adwuma bosom ye ti omo ka inti omo free mu no se omo ye bosom ye adwuma omo din afi payroll mu ana se fia so bi adwuma wo company we mu na se bia wadi 45 years na nyankopon to nsa frɛ no a company be kasa for the next 15 years no bosumi bia na ketua no mo de be ma na busua ka kire se na be on betimi adidi di bia me bisa question we ya response a minya na nye straightforward sa bia no se o check nti afia ya nso check na hwe senti sa dia na che se sebe se uye adwuma uye aban adwuma ana se wankasa nkasa uye wadwuma na se wadwuma na uye na musika na ode hwe busua na atoyerenten bi toa yenka se insi na mum se sia na se waket obusumi aketu ya woje no eno nso be free ho ana inti no the dikan ya ye kan say the most important asset in our lifetime is our ability to earn income. The ability to me aye adwuma nya sika e de ahwe ye ho ne yemba no ene ye most important asset in our lifetime. Eno no sa asset na was ye bo ho ban. Se na be ase ye tiase o, se ye disabled do, se ye tiase o, e be koso aba ama ye busua enya ho mfaso. Nti I'm telling you about say bia abrante bia di 45 years old. We adwuma di 45 years old. Ne bia bosumi bia oja ketua 5,000 Ghana cedis. Ya futu ni say sa 5,000 Ghana cedis na woje no. Bo ho buy for at least 3 years. Tre say oje 5,000 na afe no waketua ye 60,000. Oka aketua waketua afi aketua no bomu miensa. A bear about 18,000. Yeah. Your recommendation is say ube bo waketua ho buy for 36 months. Wow. Send ye beya. Se bibi tuwa. Sa aketua no. Ebitumi akoso. Na the idea back with confident care no crash say. So yes ade we are. Na say in your active working years no call retirement ya. Nyame ya dom na otiase ya usika wetua ni nyina akra no. Ye besan de wade ama ho. Nti ade nti na umbo waketua ho eban. Na unya somje.
Last one ye wie. Na individuals no. Dey nti na also omuye insurance because obi ono aye na adwuma nti onimi insurance ho emfaso. Dey nti na wo se oba eye Salam Alliance na ono ankasa bebo ne ho ban na adwuma ne fie ne property bi.
Yo, say the bra di kan chire mu no say insurance ne ye no say nye say subsebe ho to ho so nko a.
Okay.
Wo hwe ne say da hia dem. Subsebe say wawu say atorenchen bi ato say wadi dem ana say otiase sabra ko hihia mu insurance betimi aba mu a mfempiem say afibia so a tatete ebia school ye obi ebi bu twa dwadwa about school fees esu omuzu nyina say bia school fees wa ko twa no bia no ehwo ode na o hwe ye me sure say me mfa we nka wasemba ko abusa around claims na you know oba Salam sisi na ye twa over 60 million in claims. That means ubumu a every day bia ye twa 200,000 in claims.
Wow.
Because me sure say e ade dan krofo akoma so pa na we no nyina kire say enkrofo akwa ho ye hia mu a na mo wo hawo mu a omo ye insurance ya da hia dem so ye no Sanam ko ne moa enu nti na ma ye twa sa 60 million in claims. Ya tise ye ntwa ye se ho har abra ye premiums ba se ekutwa claims ya no ne twetwe na so ba Sanam de no ye tisa isan say ye records kire say abia ko ahohia mu a ye kosa moa no ma no
amefa mu nsi hey na ebrestem ye besa to aso ye da mo ase papa pantino Mr. Ahmed Tewia Ahmed Medamo ase papa se minya mudina right I'm sure mo nkomo na wapa but emreninti next time let me say was say Tottenham ora Tewia Ben Ahmed CEO country lead and Emmanuel Otinto for executive operations and diversification Medamo ase papa se ne Salam Alliance Life Insurance Ghana umbaye eni edi nkomo insurance de obia fa hujimbi na bebo da hia de wanye ne wo de to wo mo kra ma ti ubenya na abo ho e de yama e da mo ase papa ma me fa me imbus haba me shanso eni Mr. Busu immune system no na wo twefoforo mu ni kwan so de yare hyase immune system wo form a na yare bia ba so na edi nkunim ti Mr. no imbus haba Mr. obeka cho se posini na duro no no bi na Amoah pharmacy ne heba shops a ebi wo ho ntitumi kasese e na nso kwadwo de na nom so immune system media obedi diabetes so enkunim hypertension eni ade ntibo immune system no ho eban
Shazlan Monday, Memo Aquaba Shongo, Aba Badwam has a page media, so world of entertainment. Dear Chagu, dear Fatal Nino Sumo, Yadibi. Sumo, it's been a minute. Frank Boomer. Hey, woman, Jay, hey, I'll quite my chin. Yeah, boom. Bring the Sandra or Heme Ameti, you may Adom. Entertainment, I may a Ghana for Chimoa.
When you start sending, where do you die? Sister Sandy be a guy.
That's right. Young faster that pace, my Ghana for baby. I make Obia, Obia Chimoa, yeah. Me to me next will be at yeah, sister Ninos. Yes, I'm on me, yeah, boom. I ran him. Like a shabon so with this man here for the door. Me ye shut up first, net ye shut up first Sunday. The Sunday na must be there first home, young master quajig. To me, for them two quite called Jukwa. Bomb the people of Jukwa. Moya guy. You feel Jukwa and the term she near call a danger. Boom. And I'm say two point she, if you are going to call Eziama, then Zamala. After Kenua. Menamunina was say, Momma near Fedodo, said Danny Dang in Adom TV, a mamre, ya bow cromwa, eh. Beziama Mohin and a guy, eh, Bomanana, eh. Oh, even a guy, eh. Rice Friday, no Jim, no, Nana. More piam, catch us, I dear Chinako Boa. Nay, many Majuma, fire bow a sass so. Nasa boom, as Yama Wadam Tiffany. Hey, you're not occupation has everything, bro. Me who answer me that form flat, boom, Herman said she. Me name cried on person before. Yeah, Ning I your door. And qua, Yadamasipi, eh, Madame Tina, our junction moho, Ziamaho, El Quaba Hotel Junction, so me. We a guy, fashion at a switching jam and Numpa, Mumu Mamma, and a buyer, I tell you, many more. That was why so why who most studio man how jumana na meguso ye me no ka say wukuada ye kochi for hima chief for one so most one nipa one sorry na ye ni eche wa mamre ni ye chini a wo kai to go first 13 years ago and no na ye das wo mu a multimedia ye no ho kwa yakojeje ho award e ba na kan TV India ye kwa na no girl bitin choke kem ma me go sit down Adom fo aba go sit down intini ya ba chief nyame Adom wukuada we a I nice to see but as Ghana's entertainment prophet na mabano I was saying ya ma e hiri mi na metamsoa because you shut up first I'm in studio abusuya me ma kwaji me din and then me nkwa na me bedi djumadi no me producer OPD OPBD we OPBD OPBD already that's my sexy producer OPD akwaba
me wa mejoso the guy is
that's right now on say ya ma famechi
yes
let's take it back yes sanko fayinchi let's take it back to some of the big events that happen in Ghana entertainment scene. Of course, we should start from Shatterfish. You know what I'm talking about.
Shatawale ne and the first event one of the biggest in Ghana and over 600,000 people.
673.
73. Unse figures no be a Canadian.
They are by free. A manager or some flex and Casa which is 673.
Wow. Inti now we know esa Ghana 40 as say King Shatawale ono na ye the biggest artist in Ghana because obi anywhere wetimi agada such people
crowd
Ghana and yes so about the history of Ghana Tama Kwame Nkrumah kraje
independence
yes inti Shatta or your great yes
I don't know me dream one meeting I say because bim for on the time I may call Ashama to the world. Many make former producer Sandra Kapu to me could jina mo Ashama to me could jina hofiti and I John 9 my neighbor 5 a.m. Bomb mamma bim for me come on I'm gonna moji. Quite Ashama to the world. Me call twice over 4 years 4 form with the form we are back join news of me. I mean go bim. Oh show be a real boom but abusuya bim you support them not today. It's babies with sharp teeth na mo bim no. Industry no saying it here. Baby America obi do NDC, obi do NPP, obi kwa do cheddar. It's it's just okay say they would done you stick to it now they will be so do stick it to it. And thank you big boss Shatawale. Good morning. Pa mumbo masha wale. They say me rate card Friday say baby and nam no. Bisa manager Kimpi no can show. Hey boss, good morning. Also boy adwuma pa yi pa. Big shout to Ayo 05 Obeku Ventures and to BB. Hey, oda me the car ne ba ma. Hey yeah. Eti me da Shatawale ase. Sagana ni pardon bebrebe. Otena so say Debbie. Me emphasis sister wenye because oye guy. I'm quite so from comment section eh. Social ne so di obi a chema sister Sandy. Oye guy. Sister Sandy. So kwa Nigeria, Gambia, who me interview with Cameroon.
Yeah, me who yeah.
You know, they say yeah, we'll give you 673,000. It be me do am.
And not forgetting, say only the only female MC.
But that's so hard. Come here, yeah. I was here, mum. And you know when no, I do with the aswa, the archive maybe a mayor who did it. What's it? So they do the aswa the opa fashion trouble soon na locking. But me, mayor who did the bear 1 year, we made the one official because the stage wasn't easy, and someone like Parker see a come to a coordination to train me with stage, you know. Na me ntiase, but she say na me who say I needed that to bomba coordination ne Parker see a come. And you know, ya better must say, I'll not say Flex, Cage Man, Shatawale, Sammy Flex, and everybody who made it happen. Madam CP, mama, my brand 1 time for your mind. He said me 2 times a guy, my try guy, me a neck. It's yeah, can say be a who send a show. Me say who stayed. Hey, my man, no, my baby. Favor, no, who that I say. Hey, yeah.
When the dust rises, the kings are made.
Say na choir, I'm some producer that will so die. Be a met to choir job 3 weeks. First stage, I did. Me the big jam rich for check WhatsApp. Me the big jam pants and I'm because hey, first stage in the fire steez. Man, no photography is regime for me. Sabo me in Chamungo. Me was it danger? And I mean, who say one of the biggest events in gospel was happening to PCS.
Yeah, which is floral made by Grace.
So floral fund. Is it the word you more because I didn't dash so
floral. Or brand ambassador in tea. They sponsored the show and it wasn't easy. And one thing I mean, who ya name me fair. Ne dressing or the buy.
Oh, so already. Yeah. Or not dear Ghana gospel for Moshe we sister Ellie Dinah Hamilton. Empress gifting. Or more dressing. Sissy Chum. Or more dressing. Or more dressing. Or more dressing. I mean one day you can't go wrong hair dressing and I think everything was on point. Yeah, maybe and I'm in here. Mommy here in this wide and I'm in here.
Every cases are blocking. Come on. For the last time, can we jump? Is anybody feeling sickness here?
And so how it goes, Sana Ekoye inti. And ekwa matisa woye thank you to bini adin. To bini meda wase. So wa bomi briefing ma o final remarks na reach for bonyu bitem ni atwa stories ni so.
Okay, inti ehani ye di besi.
Aha woni wan na di isi.
Hana me di sinte hana me ya de me kram nti opidi na ya boni di no me amini
that's on be
hu me more nti the guy is me da sense
piece and you rich
okay
me send the far na ja ujatum ye kwa wuku ada me di pi na abetum e de ama I was saying OPD and ebo me ebo niema tofa sene ye koye whilst we are away it's just nice say be say tiam yeah habibi entwam ya hapa there is nothing like dead news. It's me fat dead the crowd wikino no OPD wuku ekofa kakalika by dope nation ho asem biaba me de bechemo and imagine so be see assemble could be so obi beka say enye entertainment but masankwala mame I cannot just dance with nkwala no say me ni omo sakeke na matumi hudi nkwala mame abra asama to me baba akwa me miama no I'm still here rooting that justice for Ransford, justice for Ransford, justice for Ransford obi de ne ba ekwa academy kosua bobo ne dae so no where hu ba bia se to kra de akiri and odofo uhuin na tuhum sa nkofo dwa songro nkwala no me gina Ransford asemi so aka achem se mo maame and e ka say obia harazi in any way please talk to your parents kwala maame na e ka say nkwala no minim sane amodomi amene mo sane e role mo holai no mo se wa me so me ya guy obi how in any obi kwa se bi so ha baby onu di agrobo ni bi akofia ka che o maame wate mutimi kan che o maame a bra me DM mo sister Sandy be a guy Facebook, sister Sandy be a guy Instagram, sister Sandy be a guy TikTok. Come and talk to me. Your secret is safe. Kwalano, I'm here for you. I'm obian say to in any way. Say yes school, say yeah sorry. It's me quiet obusu and do mo ye chain na wo Nigeria. Pacho what? Then Kwalano mun stay safe bring her back. So we are still rooting justice for Ransford to see a chikut in your say jano. Oh, abai chesa system here you pacho what? Na mofa court number justice. Yentwa mo ho na yenko yento aso Grammys say enkofo e de omo send you omo works eko say en share one of the people I was sending the works everybody was looking forward to was our very own Shatawale and sanana SM for nani abriye hu de senka ebefa no ankoba ne sa Grammy for year so skits ye kohwe ye busia ye te ho ade na 2024 the nominees ya hade ya nesi hello Grammys good morning Grammys don't you listen to Ghanaian songs Molly shake it to the max global hits go and check her views billion views when the Shay had one of the craziest remix ever it's too late and then Shatta presented his work. And I don't know, I don't Grammys, you know. But say Nancy Academy boy, more far Ghana ni. Hey, mono no. Kwa kwa nefi ni pa eteje. Mono no. Hey, put me down. Mono no. But yeah, Bena boy jinem. Yeah, Davido jinem. One Omale nyumi. Hope and Love. Eddie Kenzo jinem. Na fe Ira Star, give me that. Thailand so sujinem it's na ekwa na hu se asi omoche time ayensan hwe te Ghana ninim and people are jubilating say Shatawale ya nominating no but yeah, we have a long way to go pound we have a long way to go as a country as an industry if you don't see beyond akwai say NDC aya de papa now person will be who beyond because we NPP ni and I say NPP di free SHSC by we NDC ni you don't want to see beyond your party colors. It's crazy. We have a long way to go if we don't see beyond menka or more company home. But this is for Ghana. And the same happened last year when Stoneboy was also nominated at Wenya. You guys were trolling and it has repeated itself this year. Now say who say you bet rough. If we keep on doing this, you bet pa as a country. Industry no industry adani apache bre otoguso oba. Mobe me yamma ye musua together e push one agenda common goal Ghana. Ya nominate uni awosre. Ti we pa de na benga afrim. E den na benga afrim. any tree for him, mammy, but I'm on perfect to be in shame. Why, yan to us so. When I dope nation Kalikano. Because there was a time, Anna Kwame Eugene say, dope nation for bo Jim song, me boy. Mammy Kalikano, Mammy Kakalika. I am in young community. What? Pay attention to the work. What's that? Now, I say video no go standing in front of 673 people. Where do we be say? Mijinani patri and nimkana me home. And standing in front of 673,000 people wasn't a joke. And I didn't even shake for a second because you know what? God got me. You know what I'm saying? Here I can't say. And that was it. Big thanks to Ghanaians, to the SM family. Fat, Brandon and Shooty. Say me more do you? Yeah, what to do? Obviously, I'll be best in that mother hidden glow. I say on a mammy wiggy share. Eugenia Baby will makeup department. Thomas Waha, Master Edwa PRO member. Waha Daniel Waha Frank. Our sound department OPDM producer Richmond Sarah Opari. Omina Bomechidon. But before I go, also now. Kwame Eugene, can say dope nation, Jim Fonyo Monkwano Mobo. Or my drop be Kakalika, Tiamo Honamete.
Asemiyidiko, Asemiyidika. Inabeka. Akwesi Insia. Commander 6.
Debbie Akato se meka se de simi etie ye mfa bi kan ye nyibi so emfa mfrimo. So se de shas ye ena no pay. Yakoso eda obi bia wo hwe Adom TV ase. Madaroma ena the just ended 29th GJA Awards. Adom TV winning the Akan TV Station of the Year. Yedamase. Edamase and Sanda. Madaroma nti. Hwa mo hwe ye nti. Wiase afa na nyina magye atunti ene ne yenya sa abaswore so on behalf of multimedia ye de abaswore nyina ma yahwefo ye guest ya eba show yi show sawodo nyina eso ye client ya mo ne edidwa ene adwumafo nyina ene mo eye adwuma so Adom TV wins best account TV station at the 29th GJKGL Awards ye ba so okumas medidi akwasinsia Asemi Cabrera, Edu Sefana Sekese, Kuma Kingdom Herbal Center. Omana Kofa Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, Abajas, Mr. Wada, and Tao Emma, Adia friend Anansi, and we did you are many may stroke idea and found also. So Nano ITT to Sano ITT, what do I make up for the Amoah, a Kingdom Garlic Bitters, and as a Kingdom Garlic Capsules, or maybe a Tondubiano, or Qua Sabekebi Ato. Our new Kingdom Jesse Park Capsules, so this is a bedroom, Mr. Bema, say what about the video, Ewa Pemua, word ready, Pebinum wow. Nejina na so ye pa. So a quick one still on GJ Awards here of course nano Kumase Asante Mantema Nhyia. Open so Asante Man nyina ro 2 votes say to ababio. E dey semi to dwa about Galamsey ya kan wasem a. Ase ye hye hu ne pomasibre. Na before make bia no tie na hwe asem a 2 votes say to ababio e dey to dwa on Galamsey.
Galamsey
say, for example, is an issue that is so dear to everybody's heart, we have to be very careful because it's destroying this country. So, becoming more of like a mafia situation where if you are not very careful, it's going to engulf all of us. So, and therefore, we have to take this issue very, very seriously. We joke about it, or we think it's not serious, but it is. And I was asking how many people would vote for a party or a government why we don't want to take a firm decision on these people. So, I've asked myself. Because it's politics, is because of votes, nothing else. I can't see why we cannot take up this matter.
It's Otufo. Asante hini asmode tuja. I don't know. Galamsey ne kan wasem ne edidi ko yentimwa. Pachma the pictures na about Galamsey for to share. Yipi any SM12 for eso. Look at some of the pictures. Yeah, man for be nenam keka sa pictures no fake na enya no kja bempempe baby sa pictures to share SM12 for so no. Ma Galamsey 422 and the boss SM12 for ekam kiteni. It's where Environmental Protection Agency for car. Yeah, Galamsey for ja edigom so ekonya ankwanhia. Galamsey for ja edigom so no. Etenua obimrekum but mo fra obimrekum am sese oye Adom sem training. Obim wacha no pe boko de.
Abasi, I am Adom. I am answer.
Yeah, dem ya see akase you free hospital.
Akase no na omoyi ni mambefi.
Yeah, dem ya see. Trafoni kakra kire, how serious was the attack by these Galamseyers? Oh, mo aboko sam potem wonum.
Akase me da say Galamsey kono de ayasem bia o na ontimi hu ayabese paniku na abai sabi ya ni de se tasno banyanta fo ni nyina se o heiti fo o mana mutu na o mutu se wo ma etonton Galamsey hu ni ma no be promoso sana o sha si ada no jola ukuyada no ama yakwanya kwanta chiche eje chana fo ni ma ni ya ni shop bu ho o mututum na ne ya wada so no mo yese ye be ko be potentin na kwesi be potentin ho no mo ko lanche reclamation program bu ho o medical am say o nti mo ko lanche jumedi bi so mo nkatasa ne so tira mo ko hia senka o mo enforcement compliance jumedi mo o be ko be potentin wo akwa so far so good the jumedi akwa kudu
okay
nti ye nam kwa so ko no ye convoy de ko na ye 16 nti ye chemu mienu edu obuase no ye chemu mienu me bika obuase oni mi say China for ni du obuase be bia udu o matro we kan obuase
yeah
ana wo ba wani kakra nso a utimi eba na ebi nso wo ko no ma nti ye chemu senke bi nyina ho na wo mu enkosa ankofo no kwana nke ne mu shops no mo hwera nke ja wo mu tutum ana ye twa say ye ko be potenti so mo ni mo boasi to be potenti ni mo apa na ye ko no kwa ni finfio na ko ba ko bo dia na me tin kai badwene so ye dru ho no o mu sa bi kinam da san don na ho na o gasa parada ho no
okay
ti ene EPC professor na na mabra kuchi ene ni mpeni fo ka ho ne cham security bi o kan ho ye ko site ko ya assessment of the devastation ya ko en boys ni gane ni she na EP4 from sen komomra no mon kan chwa mo se de moye no itia ya se tra mo brabo nti yo mon kata za se so the boys ni gane so they come and advise them o mo jana di excavator no jenti mkuru mpampo champane ndi mkuru mpampo so the next option is also o mo shelo no mo satie them abli an idea if you site in the core you drew ko infin no mo chere se there is another ongoing Galamsey ya akosi no de chenkuri ensuo pa na kwabrane adane ani ensuo sukese ni adane ani ne ti so na devastation is high e hope na professor ye menanti afro na akwakoka afro ani eso mtwetwema anu anaja uyi ni nai nti hono mo yesa debi e she excavator na we mi no ya embwa nti enfre wo munye no monka tasa no so sere be boy nyina So he videos na be bo ha se kam pete mu na ho na e bode mu
yeah
na ne boys na o mutu gala ni kromo fom pen for kakra e de hia no mo kasa e na o mo konti ase apamti o mo ko fa sheet by for mo fa sheet by anya tro bi gu so se o mo kata ta tin so o mo ampa kaleta mo mo do mo ta sa mo sign na pro from so sign na o di video bi to se sia mo se o bi bu afu na o kasa sa brand ye ne ye enipa e question excavator first one
okay
do no buy na small kanya excavator mo share excavator ne mo shi ni du e be ye eglam se ni du ai ni o kai kan
okay obi jasuma me na mpacho yem call for sa video mpacho ma me sa video na abrante ne sojafo ne penifo no yi ya na yeti asemo a obi mreku e ka asemo potepa abrante no e de tu share sa video yi
Musa Ofimu, ana me kan officer, yenya yenya se wa garan so, na me se ye beye. We ye beye, we ba du beye. Ba ku be na kwa diska, akwa, atonyama, atonyam. E be su nyam so no. Ada basket na no. Ada Musa Ofimu, ana me
kan Osa buru mu nwie nyina.
Yes, and you know that was a brand here, one no e buy. Okay. And we share boys na no twa ho share ni nyina no. They were not there for mobile project.
Okay.
Omo a bright PF open for from Somomra, Nanka, Yanka, some normal catata. So that boys were there. And in Monsua, your question of the announced back when about how the wolf were. Okay, so I say, I must 10 year bay 10 or Bubu in So I could see, you win in every year. And now, your quarters I came. And now, a penfono. A set off and a year component also fall into ye two can quite bear some few meters from the community. And I who say boys back whom you be the car, that I'm correct cars, commercial catabidi, or Monam pedestrian way who dimedica, air to war pammy. That was but a bonibia and camobia, because then town near Jumcacra.
Yeah.
She yet drive Cacra, need to see the copy potent. So you drive it 15 minutes. And a good enough 20 feet. And a EPA boss, and then penny free in I 5 you say, Omonia, a intel say, and Copupe Somule ambush. And you know, when I yarn to us one call the potential.
Okay.
So in Cabaya operation, the Grandpuno in Castle. And he, see the boys need the body at China. 9 year advice I will say a time the fat, the room over 4 was it. Now I say, Yakofa, Dunquao, we see I am free, we new danger of was it. ABC, baby, and ABC money.
Okay, Obi, at what point in time now, almost Sunday to a new Gumusono?
Me, as a journey there, me report on my professional skills there, who be no Sunday 2 years.
Okay.
Nobody gave a gunshot. The ma as some lady about and say, you didn't know, and Nanti be on Metrimu to bow. My name is a video of Mudia, or Metrimu to bow. Now, no much a vest, dear, actually, did not wear tray, and I'm a buy. So, I'm a buy and I'm a comfort to EPM penny for. Then we ask what is going on. And then EPM penny for some almost a wine. And I'm just so, oh, I'm a CID. Now, I'm cooperation now. Do community no one who said there is going on or more find out. So if you for some say no we see ID they provide more ID card say
we see ID yeah
and they couldn't provide any you know just okay we are not here for any their name say mon give say there is here that cooperation and I'm go try mo pick up no I'm go try mo no me who say 2 years yeah connect cap that's what you. So I didn't know Chanko from a bob report. And now a 2 bar consulted my burden, so my cow was no. Yan in TSA almost support that I'm saying I to be quite chill, side to Nabaco. Now, side to Namichel on where small scale mining. So if you for recommended, say, so yes, small scale mining, dear, any of our catabra.
Yeah.
And no now, one or two crowd feet some fun catamara, whatever boys or only a man. The boy has so much motor so bad to train on my back. And no cry on the 2 on EPF or more MOB upon. According to information, me and Omina boom, any site na kwa mo chemi twa IPF ka no ekwa dance hene ahemfie enti ohokwa mpodi obuasefo no mpodi aten se obi ahụ anka ko ka se no ahemfie ena omutu omuka sti obuase be kumase ena yenso yetwa ye kwantenten so ko fa kwantintin we nyina ede baaye
eti
put the fact say okay garam say ko na ne tu ho na mo garam say hu to kwa na ne nyina ye but sidi omo say omo debu ye so na me de hwehwema so kakra
okay eti afa buame anti ase mu a mu prepare nyina obia ye yi obia free hospital
before that mama o history bianca ansem ne see ye nke nipa wu yanka asaba no ni ze August season no na helicopter na kwatitoye nipa 8 na wom no mo dream nyina was in connection with garam say ku ya adano since November na exactly 4 months o 4 months corona so no ni to garam say ho na mo nipa nwotwe na neteke no tinke nipa nwotwe na nka esa ku asa ahye that day corona
Ate obey first it will be mreku amane boni yo wo nshira 104.5 FM na love 99.5 FM wokumas na mte side train point to cancer mtrefo a galamsey fo koto show mo so e wo abra na mo ne yipfo e bo apro e wo galamsey site na ati se ne atwe ho enkomo no and now galamsey ku no e say ase galamsey fo no aso ma ye embolden bi e say dey ase awkodro bi abo mo so mo di hia ye asojafo ne ya policefo no menim de maybe or say the security services no happy or more game no more ahead of them. Yes. Or see a security services no happy or more game no pa. Cause we tia branch ba kwa asem a work kase no to the money security for ebo by say be a dipa body for enye galamsey. Kukodro so di e face o mo na ano den. Ya me ni amne yakoso ye din say ya galamsey fo ebu afa so. And ye nim de be ma galamsey fo ebu di afa so. Mumi trust ni enye din na all in the name of Adwuma has never been there. But ye kuditi akronobo Adwuma has never been there. Yempe ko betimi afa so be deal with galamsey and sana deal with us. Me dey akwesi se fa na se koma Kingdom Herbal Center. Omna the Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsule be so asina no pay. New Kingdom JC Park Capsule pa che member dru be mam so ay mre ompembo wadru enno. Omember bi eto do be akwa asebeka bi ato. Ona so asemere asemiri kadwumadi ebre o. Eni sie de medwafo atoa enkomaso. Akra. Omunyina ma cheba kwa ba emfa emra bedwam dwumadi so live on Adom TV. Yes, to me on all our social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Okwa search for Adom TV. We are the reigning Akan TV station of the year. Kind courtesy Ghana Journalists Association for awards also and I know memory day abas body ya ebaye no eti wedi ka catch us say ahanum no we strive to make it. Yes, eti umienya say so yenwam sentwefo edi attempt so. Journalist who do attempt doesn't make you a good journalist. Enyem penfo abedi o matem ene mema penfo eti asoma work no. Ni opeso kan wasem. Penimo biti obitie. So devoid of insulting in the midst of airwaves after the 10th century adosu omuno. It tells you how hard Adom TV has come out to be your #1 Akan train station. Most year na a train station they tell hunatem the DNA. I pray and hope see you edim ya na subscribe to me aba. Na ye nyina timi asua de awre wo se unu papa nya adwene me mama nya adwene na de titives because we opportunity then pakon the same opportunity to di ni pakro atem mumie nyai ye nyuma pa Ghana for na ebebo yabasom abejafo atrase honorable Ebenezer ni nanati former member of parliament Honorable Isaac James member of parliament Marisha Wasa is ebebo ko de
Wesi, ami go so shrame.
Yedase.
Ami bi aboko de.
Nyame adom.
Eda nyame ase. Eno na you see, nyame bi koso wo Ghana ha, say very careful.
Dear.
Say ball. etumi edi nkabomba
okay
ball esanso edi ye friend say Mpape Muba enra they see Accra Sports Stadium
okay
between Hearts ne Kotoko no say referee no omunya ne kasa kire because uhwe as go or share ya wanji no
okay
enye na me say ne omahene ni betina ye friend say your friend Asempa no they adwane num enso a penalty goal enso ye share clean goal ni there now we see me one and your oxide we share and now will be can be also like if we can put money into the sports we should be able to get the money to get the VAR to watch it and then they toss me no I said my catcher will say me man tell me honde de bia me ba me nyankra
okay
and a penifos na bu be say yesuma nyansa na nyam nyamono tintin na yesuma wo na wa be ka so a
okay
e say na me nyansa
okay
ene Matayoku JT class of schools
okay
ma yuano
okay
almost me bisa President Mahama say omo pad no sanitary pad na o show omo bo I be lanchi wo Salvation class of schools na emom baako imam me man be that no say be send video no ma be mo so mo de ko bobo for this me send video ma no ye po me man no say we diabolic papa now balance me be send that ben no mo send to pad no
say mo be sa for month be October na
since I be in school next month ye ma kwan no ye ma mo bi omu ye since I be in school, not only the junior schools, no, including the secondary schools. Besiene.
Omunya biom. Okay.
Na me san bisa mi wofa Eriko Poku.
Okay.
A great minister.
Okay.
Say nanum eneni na what pepe no say forms no be call districts no
forms
from nkukon kitinkiti no. Forms no ebusi oko last week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Agyapong Central Municipal Assembly. Now forms they be new.
Say now what you say be lunch.
Last week, or say last week Monday. And I how said it one. Me bought it too.
But me just say is say and then o share.
I could see my mama
right up.
Minim nia endu me do I to be church mu ye. Into my men carry Poku there no. Na me be say feed Ghana no.
Okay.
Say if houses are here na mo asase mo duadu anyama no. Na no ba no be na e di amom. Na mi san bisa ye mami Jeno Poku Agimai oye vice president na odi anim champion women's bank ni say that ben na ye bie bank no because Amelia say onye sika
mate
na dey chatwo wa onua bema
why
they say oye lawyer
why
Eric J
okay
ejumara forms no na chire mu me san bisa bie say akosi sen me ni say wa sempa but me person be bisa say ejumori na lanchi wo north no
okay
akosi sen
yo my national we nyina
akosi sen
sika ne chem na
akosi sen
okay tene patro Eric J unye ebe so bisa say ejumori sika no akwa say chairman of Roads and Highways Committee former deputy minister of Roads and Highways member of parliament it's go ya beka omo machi of parliament no
mom 15
yeah.
But chairman we dey chepa o before me call parliament no ye chairman
before I call
no ye chairman
and on be so asa be chairman
you feel on no be ranking
and on asa be
chairman
there's a rose de unye
chairman e de papa road chairman de do road chairman ye education chairman ye lands and forestry chairman ye finance committee chairman ona we bo
the first time we chairman na me ranking 2024 mo abato na me ranking
okay
because now ministers I am treminia government Abuja one no ye ranking you know or escalate call chief whip no na kwanja ne buy me so me ranking
sure
nti say na yaba bem na ranking no opposition for there
okay
nti no
afena wo do we there
chairman near your party medical chairman
okay
but I've wrote there some my deputy minister
sure
the anytime bia no here you know na me member or the deputy ranking or ranking for roads the one you are and you come here and this
o mama ka wa kwata na say oye present a friend saying statement we are now be a bisa question now contribute now born about also I'll give you 5 kilometers into with them chairman wa head here be fan is normal 2 kilometers me feel in him
na so when you say me why when you say chairman
I will do but chairman so can be omo
sorry
chairman so can be omo
but the come we say in legislature we say shemra nti oversight ministry no so nti dwumadi bi a wodi no se enye ye tum twene mane ba na ema ye deda da ho yi
na de ka se be 5 wa arenti na 2 3 na ka we
I dey kwanu matutu okay ni ade and so on and so forth nti no
ba se constituency boko de
boko wa say
galamsey constituency
galamsey de ye say ye ka galamsey ho asama mo say na me pese yi hina yi bi se bi ni ahwe ni ye galamsey ye wo 83 mining district e wo Ghana me constituency e ka mining district no
okay
into no virtually every mining district biano there's some sort of illegal and mining activity ni ye galamsey into no I say TRC say we have 83 mining district e wo Ghana na some mining district no virtually every mining district will be there's one way or the other no illegal mining activity or issue as you say resetting agenda no igusu a ya de tututu ye to be some question I'm say the my year not to be ya I'm sure no me fast kwanja zumia some more fast na minchia omomhwe na edika mini kan bomba baso
ya das
but media for Adom for say ye hwem no mo dwumadi asoni my juma now the best I can TV station and I say yeah we can ha me twi my de mkoso nye na nipa de say we ade bo abaso a e hye nkran se mo anye ni ya sanga mbasa nti me bo mbasa me chia mo me chia mpeso so for wa size for na me ahin no mpemfo ina
wo bo abaso no one seven
agesi
yes
abaso boden de mo se efata nye se bia me nua ne wontia but make us say share the categories of awards amunya or multimedia you deserve it share the Galamsey fight you deserve it because you are the one of the radio TV station as a station in general multimedia no both Adom Joy Asempa all your sister stations no you constantly be fighting against Galamsey moreover no your own brother they say most yenina Erastus now be a fan okay so you deserve it after you see saying I mean everybody knows say from 2 to 6 there na me catch obi near finance on mining say their station no creates problems for people I go be my worry because obi ni yeti kemu be man so beti ekosi say oba no so o different station because another about 2 ye different our station will be be man no say ebi asem na be kan e betwi ni nti opese o ti asempa and they say edum ye friend say edum radio no e ko baby wo nti mu deserve but who can be which I perfectly agree with you say the attitude of some of your people who claim to be journalists need to be looked at and it shouldn't just be looked at but it should be dealt with because ebi mu wo ho a omudi efi na egu ejuma no and not because you have the luxury of sitting behind a microphone and then you be saying all manner of things. I'll be so happy that somebody will say that in my family, President John Mahama is coming from my family. But do you know people are proud of me being a member of parliament? In my family.
How much more president?
Grandfather first meeting man, you can for be 3 meeting, second, third one. Na me friend mama so we dem eba me friend mama also Agyapong no catch up say me eba could you believe that they waited for me all because MPA then eba because that's the only person in the family who has rise to become a member of parliament but sometimes no college be wa in same o kan e dey fa nepa ho o me dware o ye wi a ye say dey call media commission na akopacho then they try to Mr. your president, DJ president. We shouldn't look at the people who give us the reports, but on more backstage, your cameraman, your tendon than machines now, a bathroom, they should look at all those people. And also, check the well-being and the welfare of journalists in their various institutions. I don't blame them. Some koji cars, politicians, and then for office appointment, all because they are not being paid well. 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, 1 year, they enter a journalist car. What do you expect? That's so better than many honorable AJ. And now, or become an NDC, or become an MPP. Until me sure, oh boy, MPP for 80 pounds. Then this now friend, okay, see, 5,000 share. Oh, boy, MPP 80 pounds, NDC 80 pounds, okay, see, 10,000 they share. Because, Sarah Nimba. But see, I can tell you, we want to me, come with me and I met me a car. I can tell you with all honesty, say, you can say it without any fear or favor to any politician.
When you must have done so when you're okay, the CEO of multimedia and so has a say, I can say.
And you won't tell me, pa, or even,
or top one.
Maybe I make a go home.
Or to yours, or
that be more can you want to do not that in fact, he's related to me.
Oh, okay.
It's not mommy free pam. Mommy is direct my grandmother.
Okay.
And ni mommy so ni me free be mata eko ha. Ye be mpanti kwesi chum so tie dia me srew. Na won hwe wedwumanfo no se na be ya next year no on betumi apupi all the awards.
Yeah, that's it.
But I thank you, sir. You are not like the other stations that you be hwe bi mo be so na pa. Ni ye super comfort. No akase mini eso no need to.
See what But happy birthday and confirm me akasa mo fase. O hiniba eje frempon. O asante bampo ye no nya 6 years. O hiniba o fa me sure the best. Nyame o nhira no nya okese. Ko ise obeye kese pa. Ranking member NPP ni owo Belgium se me ka to so chiao.
Amejini super.
Oso chiapa.
Kayenze mejini super.
Oso da super so dey ma pa oyema NPP.
Kayenze next January me ba ho.
O ba Belgium. Okay, ranking member. Honorable so about Belgium next month. Next month. Honorable Galamsey. And I know too fast money too just say ya hwe be mene ye. Menim se edu ho no mo a.
O se ya hwe ye be mene ye. You are me ba. Yeah. Me ka Galamsey ho asem. Na ha meti mabai. Anya Ministry of Lands and natural resources no metu se memra.
Yes.
The min kasa mo.
Yeah.
Na parliament so no menye a member of the committee of lands and forestry. Yeah. First no na me deputy ranking ewo. Na me wo ha say my mind say juma all my life.
Sure.
Na me ya ganani a me wo hu nimdie eni tin ya kagalam say hu a asamo a na ban no so me andisi nya ban ne tua na mompa a nwema hina kire se galamsey no se hina ye kan hu bomu a e bit ma resolve ni hina adam define what is galamsey illegal man e kwan fa so a ye chi gold a famra kwan so it's not make artisanal mining for titinu e bade but then say and the people me matise obi afre ko fa 3 or 4 almost me say small scale miners for me say almost need licenses and be ma ba hey memphasa kwan na mchire ni ya galamsey no na mining no you have 2 major licenses. You have prospecting licenses. I just say you the mouse say kofifi or home baby mu a wa ka say o say ha no o pese o ye ho aduma na the prospecting license amount.
Okay.
It is all prospecting na o mining you are not mining. We exploration or prospecting. It is o hwe na say you come as ka mu a then you come. Na your mouse are mining license mining lease not of aduma.
Okay.
Until minimum ka say and some trouble for here abon was munko Minas Commission. Na mukobisem. Me make say as far as I'm concerned me no.
Yeah.
Small scale miners no. Small scale no. As say eco medium almost prospecting licenses.
Okay.
It is prospecting licenses no. Inja wo kwan some more mining. E ma wo kwan some munya mfifi mu. Na
all small scale miners.
Se me ka say all small scale miners are na me stress monko e bia me no ka say o mama small scale miners in the license are minim but na minim.
Okay. After the time now kasa.
Yes. Minim say small scale miners no far because it is also possible. Say about mining lease and it's a mining license. So we find mining. But say basa say because say mo ya e kwan bia so no omo bossa abre omo boyi.
Okay.
Because large scale mining for now more mining lease no. EPA for control omo kama. Omo tell is omo hwe so kama. Omo ya periodic and it's one of the best a year. Just say bia no msa so tax and then.
account.
Yeah.
You know, there's also social alliances. I have social alliances. I pay for the amount. Social alliances, which is we might say, you know, better level company.
Yeah.
Or minor juatum. Man, tell me when I'm juatum because who come in? Social responsibilities. Who farm branching you have the social alliances. Now, Ghana Kasankas, you to we are a Juma, my senior, we were Juma. So, my main first acquaintance church, but Master say, if free her, Master Monco Minkom. Nambisa say, a gentleman says more became. Or just small scale miners or more prospective licenses. Now, money mining lease. And now, Oma may be more mining lease and now set the saying because meaning, see, I'm more mining lease there. Now, EP more Juma saying because you are supposed to make sure, say, or make them brand so
They are mining lease near the moment.
Of course, yes. The mining lease, no. I'm because my in last cancer, my all the major mining, bigger mining companies. Them brand so me say, so I'm too far more credit, you charge $10,000. Yeah, bro. Until I can assure you, they do the right thing. So I share no. You between scaling it down.
Yeah.
And about such small scale mining. It's part of the agenda. This research agenda.
Okay.
I'm penning John the money, Mama, or Ghana present. Now, NDC are buying. See, they are resetting Ghana and mining Hono and a resetting so Akano. Galam say area Hono illegal mining so Akoso Elmo. And you know, Ubi Samia, when I'm saying some more issues were Branana. Utu for the kind, a disa pepper, utu for oh yeah, a sante, kina, or one assassin, or one of them, or you are saying for Jimmy. This okay, sir, illegal mining, no galam say no, yan share memania, ladies, until you say that you're shiny, until acquire all encompassing, all inclusive, and all shoulder, on deck, all hands on deck.
And you almost say it looks as if say. As a galam say for some kind of a cocodrobe to fight back at our security agencies.
In fact, my first acquaintance is my condemn. I condemn sa a crona, sa subane basso. I condemn it today as ben fin and the bonia and so be as a social. But they may say, who say, a den a bassa. To be honest with you, I just want us to be honest with ourselves.
Yeah.
Obi and walk on her, what is a soldier need, especially in Grazzy, everybody, Bunani, Usru. It's a soldier ni eba. Na so be to me kukudro. No for soldier ni na. Na there's something wrong.
Yeah.
And yes, it's a kusie pay we are. Who say you couldn't pay me bill. So I have a problem in Tiasi. Then of course. Because EPA for more watch it. No, watch a cooperation. Now, let's be honest with ourselves. Cooperation here seizing machines been there in the previous times. And I'm not sure of now. You buy engine minimum ye. Abayani ye jai. Maybe familiarity. Okay. And I said, maybe, I'm not saying that, maybe compromise one. Okay. And that is why it is. In the message, I say, Sasu by now, almost train. You're going to condemn. Now, EPA for no son, message say, some more call, the same as a name was about.
Yeah.
EPA for more than that. Galam say about this engineer, the more than that. I'm talking them, read the Biamoda Suja Foco. And that resetting agenda ya akoma and manifesto ya Namos.
Yeah.
Namos on security agency come na dey na omka womoko. Na den na Namos comedy. Namos comedy.
Okay.
Me wa mu yeni mu dada. Omo manta mo nim dada bi bo ni medini bi. Na so defo bi nim. Can you imagine say emira ye nua me share busuana na ba na ya mama. You know what happened? Onkuye yaya. Because of the fact that say soldier ni na so ikro no betuma solitaire sa that there's something wrong. They may have been compromised until now ye na engine tum say you do pempenso a resetting agenda no ye mo na enko.
Will it then say obi or other grouping be or they fighting galam say bia no enyai yemfa nyina mo 9 months.
Not necessarily. We are saying somebody two na dey na call. Yeah. EPO na adwuma they can go under normal inspection. Na nasefo. Na wodi a soldier for no na yi kwa normally no sir the main common no. Yeah, in time when I was an HR and administration committee relation manager at Bogoso, Salag office.
Yeah.
So in Crawford, omo encroach your property na. Near report am a friend say Minas Commission for.
Okay.
You report to am the soldier for obetu no mko. So that say it is a we make yipi no ye wadwuma. We normally adwuma we. Na so the soldier for kan ho a it means there's something wrong with person qualify. Bia life no person find. Me Namos wo a ma dia obi anim so Namos na ba yi o. Nti mesre
So going forward, you know, omoni na mo so no den okay. Some person come field and I'm say if people think that they may have been compromised, you know, omoni na mo so no ko no me eduma na yi ntu. Na mo me condemn, I condemn this. A man on boss Abraham, you condemn. As I still run away, me try mo say be odikru na division authority no. And so man, no mo hwe sa switch bi also mo hwe na de twese kru ne fantwe. Na mrantie no so boss are you condemn. Aban no say no set na agenda na odi ba no. Yabako details no obi ehun so me take advantage na mama mo boss abel bi wouldn't say la areas one galam say abaye livelihood it's a life one kwa you only but that is not source also and do you need to provide them with an alternative idea ebeboa as well
there be out of the kasa sebwe you may be no wo Ghana bit me am was kasa galam say
emi de minimo bi da
me be no
na boy bi da na
menim aban adwuma wo ya obegya akatwa say they galamsey for come second. Apart from the CEOs. But so because it's be make say, sir, the thinking of say adwuma no won't na man for galamsey. Oh na enne upa me abanwam. Ese teachers here for 80 billion teachers. Na kwa galamsey side. A lot of them will still not go.
Mama teacher me tro.
Musa chef na me nam na e be ma me say details no. Okay. Make us me sword that breakfast there no one Queen Bees. Catering and decoration services. John Abueben, more ye program bia na wo program na ye aduane mo Queen Bees. Number na won tina mama abako no. From and de ye super. But of 0244 362 256 0244 362 256 and 020 897 1019 020 897 1019 Queen Bees. Program bia we bia program na ye aduane e de amount kwa decoration so de amount kwa de a Queen Bees catering and decoration service na make am for e de amount bedwam ye ya dan abai sie Besro da wo pe TV e de asiu dem a to free computer Ghana open laptop open fridge open washing machine for fear to free computer Ghana many dey make us area chiro o to ma dia bon say yes what to the papa and say yes Samsung LG TCL HP Lenovo Dell Tecno Infinix and ye keka ho a na nyina to free computer Ghana o me ma ye papa on ton inferior goods met me the computer Ghana ho dance there so on ton inferior goods. It is say ye TV, say ye washing machine, say ye fridge, say ye day. Be am see ye demu ye be a upe biano. Tough free computer Ghana. From I was 0302 752 020 0302 752 020 and our WhatsApp number 0243 143 143. WhatsApp number is 0243 143 143. Computer Ghana. Eho ena ne papa nyina ewo eben galamsey
na because we chechi bodo bia
I think say I personally agree with Otumfo.
Okay.
Or can say yanhwe yi a galamsey ebe mini yen. But for me, from where I sit, for what me hu ni amakin kind of amahwe no, me feel say galamsey dey say dey a mini yen.
Maybe it here.
A mini in a sense, say, you see, say no Nabukai, yes, I agree. Say the people in the mining areas, no, it depending on the galamsey.
Yeah.
And I say mining. For example, Banka Opako Jamestown, Nabesin ko Chokoa, Kosi Koligono, Eduko Kolibu. The youth in that area, no, apart from those that Omoko school nebi mu yejuma no, majority na kanu nyina no, about 40-45%, no, their livelihood no, depending on fishing.
Okay.
Into almost Omoko fishes.
Okay.
In a case of my galamsey, no, the reason why ye nyina ye kan wasem no, is as a result of our water bodies.
Okay.
It's as a result of the way and manner the mining activities there ekoso. But me ka say amenya because ye di ye amanyosem ama ene agiyensem.
Okay.
Ye di amanyosem because na ebimuti akonya so me pese me yi akonya no afiri wase nti ma men kan nsem a ebe se nkrofo encourage people to go into it. Okay. We have an old communication deputy director of the NDC with the former CEO of Minia Commission moving to Galamsey site, encouraging and motivating them. Say, go ahead and do it. Recently, we have the national organizer of the NDC, Ekache President Mahama said, after the military police for the withdraw them for the Galamsey site.
Police for
because and then ministers and deputy ministers say what Abemu is saying. It is these people who made us what we are today. I'm here to hear from him to explain the role the people play to make them to come to power.
Which people?
He or say, and then we are ministers, we are deputy ministers, we are CEOs. Now, sa Galamsey for way and then my positions. National organizer of the NDC. Joseph Yami. Yes. I'm yet to believe. I'm yet to let him come and tell us the reason why he said that. Kenashibe and any other organizations a petition President John Mahama and the matter was referred to a friend Attorney General for a friend investigation about Joseph Yamin and your friend is saying the first vice chairman Abanga. What has happened to it? When the media had opportunity, Ebisa Ewo Jubilee, President Mahama do what's the response of the Attorney General? Look, I can count not less than 5 incidents between community and the military fight going to the Galamsey site. Now, no so who boss it no. I am assembly member. Even Bolly, the same thing happened. And you see, I am of the belief, strong belief, say the NDC cannot and will not fight the Galamsey. How? Reason is there are people within their government that they have been accused, including a sitting member of parliament, are handful. And I think says to be in your region. I win. I will say our region.
What's the region?
Okay.
I win what's the north.
Yeah. The MP in that constituency is involving himself in Galamsey, and so therefore they don't want to have anything to do with him. Ubekai, the MP for Oda Kwesiakwa. Yeah. And see, the MCE in his constituency, Echo mining sites, no, Agyapong 15,000 cities and give them receipts. What are you not encouraging them? But the icing of the cake of that matter, no, came from the president himself. When he had the opportunity to meet with media. Okay. About gold reserves, near gold board for you. What was the response of President Mahama? Or say, he would not sit down for the gold that is being mined by illegally in Ewa Hanum. No. On my infant to go and go on better. It's because your friend is saying, Galamsey gold, I hope President Mahama going. So that's the motivation that President Mahama has given to the people doing Galamsey.
But when President Mahama the say good board in Galamsey Kosro.
Indirectly from what he said, that's how I understood it. No. Or say, Nepani Bisane say, o say gold a Kosro. Yeah. Ne tosu mi no Galamsey. Muto gold every Galamsey for wana. And I say yes. Because we will not allow the foreigners to take it. So we'll buy it.
But you see,
what are we encouraging?
Okay, Miss Adon, the last time I say, as we speak, it will be difficult for, say, a gold board, say, a PMMC, to separate Galamsey gold from small-scale mining gold. It will be extremely difficult.
I agree with that. That's the same thing on me, Kano. So what you are telling me is say, go and do it and bring it and let me buy it. No. That's what he's saying.
The fact say, a very difficult for gold board to separate illegal miners gold from small-scale miners gold no more airtime. Doesn't also negate say, or more encourage you almost say they should go ahead and do illegal mining.
Did you listen to President Mahama's answer? I'm basing my argument on his answer.
Okay, what's he saying?
Or see, on my enfa gold no enfi hanum enfanko. Now the omodi be call out meto from holiday. It is better they buy it from them. So if my got too good, galamsey, na me about ton, na watwa, o cha na pa so ya me nko.
Eti kwambe everybody, but kwambe betimi afa so a se gold board ebe too good betimi aka we eye galamsey ni dia mento. We small scale dia mento.
So that is where the problem is.
Okay.
The problem is there because who the directive about as to how your friend is saying you better good.
Okay.
So you ask the people into gold now they are bano. U concession na wo hifa. U campaign now they mining no e wo hifa. They did check all these things before they buy it. No, they don't.
Oh how?
They don't.
Oh, they won't check.
Oh, you see.
So would you go to buy another wood board after because the license no before so we go through the license process.
The license process and we buy we study they go and check from their records. Say nipa he and am we na ko. Na would be ba would message say now what.
The one president did so I need to come in.
No president. But your mama is not your president.
It's our president.
Exactly.
Thank you. Thank you. I agree. This one I'm not
agree. For me, I think say, you see, if we have you do because of the partisan nature. You dig I'm saying I then. Aye. Look, me betina ha embe pretending as if say during the NPP administration no na galamsey no enkoso.
Okay.
And me some betina embe ka say NPP nyame adonia say e ba akonya mu a galamsey no eden enkoso ebe koso. But what we need to do ne say we need to have a political will irrespective of our political affiliation and irrespective of how desperate we want to be in power or come to power. No. We need to deal with the issue just as it is, irrespective of how we see it. But the politics and the here.
Okay.
And now I can say, look at our water bodies. Share your friend is saying central region. Ghana water in some water.
It's better now. It's getting better.
So you can see say emfa is a sentence say when I did two so no more yet to be enum no say the one e two no e sound that be your friend is saying water no so na ye nti no na say the 10. That is why the medical people are telling us say it's affecting us. And then Amoah na do you know when NPP was in government.
Okay.
Now we're talking about galamsey. And then most of these people are nowhere to be found.
Ebi me hwan.
Ebi. Multimedia.
See a galamsey
more especially Joy.
There we see a galamsey. How?
Mikasa munja galamsey. The energy and the experiment at which say na odi your friend Queen's BSC enim a obe do Joy anapa na in so bottle water mo esi omonim and then do they still do it?
To the extent say Amoah a series on Dear Mahama.
Hashtag
stop galamsey.
I'm talking about the discussion.
So the discussion may be no one sanye.
Me about discussion. That
what kind of discussion
every morning, whether it's about economy, whether it's about health, whether anything, you see a bottle of water in front of the panelists at the studio.
For now, maybe.
I mentioned them to you.
What maybe to the bottle of ensure
the exhibition because people look at it.
And quite exactly because you're fighting galamsey. But we are showing videos. We are showing pictures of our
yes. But people so now, me able semi.
When ensure the said that
picture and AI. Me say when I see the bottle water,
video that
Obiara ni say no, you see. Nkafo na bu be say solubeni china na sikire ha eso se na nantwie hu sikire fa me say se me hwe Joy anapa na me hu a bottle water ayeti say Milo echiriba Milo echiriba kan ba da nyunu esi omonima me yemu se me more
etenso me hu enso na kasa
because I feel say way nobody can drink it.
Let us see.
But today what has happened? So me, Metmiaka say, I'm mini NDC for. I'm mini NDC. I'm more esan say in some more kwesi. Nana me catch what I said. Most of the things that will be judging the NDC for is about their comment, the things that they said in the last 8 years. nyama mo kikaye na ebeyi ni baako.
Mate.
And they are born.
But I say it is a Nina Nati.
Mr. Romandas, Mammy, quite just na your kind, Mam Satan, I mean, teach
double time.
No, because see, the point is that, okay, what can some man penny? No, who's not as I say, yeah, they are politics. Yes, he or the politics. Or man penny on a can assassin a shenansa, including Nipeka. Now, say or set Ghana, na mining a young neck. Now could be said, say, sir, I almost yes, small scale mining. So gold, you know, Yanto, and me and Tonos, who is by 8 billion year, come on, who's that, you know, I know, I go outside, where away. Ghana is now the first mining company and producing gold, gold country in Africa. You're to South Africa. Me repeat you. Say, Ghana, and number 1 gold producing country in Africa. You're to South Africa. So Ghana gold, you know, Nesi Efa kwa papa susune come on. All we are talking about illegal mining is to find a way of legalizing it. And it's illegal because Imran Makwasi yenge. Into no resetting agenda no account. Obani Demetron say President Mama is the only president or the NAC from say you reset Ghana no na gold sector also mining sector also ya hwene atsuna ni and he is committed to it and committed to it and it's very committed to it. My brother, for 8 years now, by Musumo Yebi.
Are you sure in this year? Where MPs are involving, where MPs are even attacking their friends, Namos war.
We have I'm just giving. Yes, you opening your way to mining this is all. In Ghana, you 83 mining districts all over the country. Go to so, sir, what could be say MPB and I say Krubi, or when you issue with EPA, and then just say, I didn't say no. Because of the fact say, you are so much situation. We are now about to finalize the database. Database, these days, these days, geologists don't go field, almost smart drone, no more call. Now, a database about the extent of destruction, concession per concession. And that is why I'm telling you, sir, NEC, wouldn't say over 200 concessions, Yarivoku. Are you aware? Yes, you gave over 2,100 concessions from 2017 to 20.
Prospecting licenses.
Prospecting licenses. Yes.
The last time you gave us a data, one of your shows.
What man say? Me say because this is go to Finance Commission. NPP gave out over 2,100 concessions for prospecting licenses at the man for. Okay. And I'm say as at the time any if you including President Kofo, President Rollins, Nasifo Adina, you 99 concessions Benedama. So all I'm saying is about we assume now over 200 concessions are revoked. It is part of the resetting thing. It is part of a regular situation. I'm catching saying you now can answer no. And I'm look say improvement abem because blue water gas for no almost same. Some name was for no name and it is a fact the Meho Prao, the pra, the cobra, the dolphin, the densu, which was it is better now than before. And it's good. What was that? Let's stay focused. Okay. Who said it's a problem? And we are ready to resolve it. Or two for say, I'm sure, me very much convinced, and Muntua yet to say, now a bedroom. What are the evidence? Evidence you will say, you should have started to say better because you kill me. The forest, 9 major forests, you kill me. Such as so, but the point is that when I was also can be said, who said you may be and why as a gallant who didn't have broom. Galam saying, who said, so be all prospecting like small scale miner. Yeah. That's why or yeah illegally or galam say. Yeah. Nay abandon down say you was or more financiers no almost woho. Now I feel your ordinary crop for your livelihood no. Okay. Or quite you man I do consuensio a because a born idea no 50 cedis, 30 cedis, 100 cedis. That is the livelihood I'm talking about. A day. 100 cedis a day. 50 cedis, it depends upon the area and say area now want to say a 50 cedis, people 30 cedis. And I'm telling you, say, this is a person, ya makwine. Yanka son pay for Yamakwine, and my illegality there, and we are resetting it and we are regularizing it. So, me, what I'm saying is, say, look, So last came money. So I'm worried when I hear from my brother say, "You do me, you bet you man, I hear you." Wouldn't say last came money, rules were 2 seconds. So we are scaling. You see, that's what I'm saying. That's my man to me, because you see, we are scaling the process now. I will ask him down. Galamsey is controllable, it's manageable, it is possible to have a perfect situation. Who is a common environment? Go to Bogoso, go to a champion. You reclaim us as a it's doable.
And you think you can be sustained it?
Why not?
It can never be sustained.
See, when you did President Mama is a serious person.
It's because of the involvement.
President Mama is
the NPP.
You are number 1 Akan station in Ghana.
Of some of
Adom TV.
How to deal with it? No,